What is up, A team? Welcome back. Awesome, Austin here. Hope everyone's having an awesome day, or not, depending on where, but I hope it's awesome. And yes, we're back at it today. Second stream of the day. Obviously, we streamed this morning right around 6 a.m. Back at it today because obviously the charts continue to look pretty damn good. I will admit that XRP, HBAR, we can go down the list, XLM, all looking super, super nice going into this weekend. I mean, we're 4 days away from inauguration. The charts are looking phenomenal. The question is can we get all-time highs, or are we going to break all-time highs before inauguration day, or are we going to wait, maybe have a pullback, and then go into inauguration day with a nice little rally here? We're right on the verge. Everyone keeps saying that altcoin season is on the verge right after inauguration day. A lot of data is out there showing that altcoin season is going to go up even further than where we're at right now. Altcoin season being that XRP, HBAR, XLM, anything other than Bitcoin is going to continue to rise. And Bitcoin will rise too, but the dominance of Bitcoin will continue to fall. So that's kind of where we're at today. And again, I just want to say what's up to the chat. Appreciate everyone being here on this fine afternoon. Hope everyone's having a great day so far. It's nice to wake up and see that your wallets are green. It's nice to see that everything that you've invested in is looking pretty damn good. I know I wake up with a big ass smile on my face, so I know you are too. But yeah, it's just really nice here, and you guys are already chatting it up right now. But I just want to say what's up to everyone here in the chat. We got Big Watch Dude in the house here. We got Simple Facts, Jam, Jacob, Xander, Paradise. What's up, Paradise? Francisco, Crazy Kason. What's going on, man? Logan, Auto Pops, Borashito. What's up, man? We got Viet in the house here. What's up, buddy? John Walker, Tony. You got everyone in here. Queef, what's up, man? Love it, love it, love it, dude. Thanks so much for joining me on this at 10 a.m. my 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. But let's jump into. We got some news to cover here, and we also have some charts to look at. As you guys can see right now, we are sitting about 3.53 trillion. This is a huge milestone right here at the 5.53 trillion. One crazy thing here is that we reached over 190 billion dollars in terms of market cap. So, dude, we are like almost 1x away from actually matching that of Ethereum for XRP. Like I said earlier today, Hedera has now jumped Toncoin and Shiba Inu, sitting here at a $14 billion market cap. Actually, only $800 million away from getting over Sui, and it's getting pretty damn close to Chainlink. So it's nice to see that. Stellar has also jumped up here, sitting number 12 of taking out Avalanche as well. So we got a lot of things coming in here. I mean, look at this, dude. 7-day. This is an anomaly. I was telling you guys. You look at the other reactions to the market here, like 7% from Bitcoin's really good, 2% for Ethereum. Like Solana obviously was down pretty good, so it's up 14%. But we're talking the top 3 crypto in the world is sitting at a 46% up in 7 days. 46% up in 7 days. Like, let that resonate for a second on how big that is for to move that much market cap. To move that much market cap and be up 46%. Is pretty damn crazy if you think about it. I mean, just imagine we had over $7.7 billion in futures just in the last 24 hours of trading with XRP. So insane amounts of money coming into XRP, and inflowing and outflowing. Obviously, people are selling too. It's not just like it's all going up. I mean, there are some sells, but looking at the chart right now, it's just a massive breakout right now to potentially hit an all-time highs. We are literally right now only what, about roughly 24 cents away from hitting an all-time high for Bitcoin. I mean, that's pretty damn good. You go look at HBAR. I mean, HBAR is sitting there. We're almost about another. I mean, we're a little bit further away, sitting at 57 cents was an all-time high for HBAR. But we're still roughly, I mean, not that far away at all. And these are I do feel the all-time highs are going to get hit. I don't know when, but I do think the all-time highs are incoming. I think that we're going to obviously get to newer highs. So that comes back to, accumulating a bag. I would just start with it regardless of where it's at. You know what I mean? Do the Michael Saylor strategy where you just, hey man, I know that the prices are going to continue to go up in this bull run. We have a lot of positive things coming this way. And if you're just starting fresh into crypto, you got to get your feet wet sometime. Yeah, it's not the greatest to jump in on a green candle. Not something I would do. But, again, if you're new, you should be following exactly what I do because I've been here for quite some time and, established a lot of things. So I have just a different mentality and mindset of jumping in. So that's just, I want to make sure that's very clear, because obviously there's some people that are following exactly what I'm doing, and I want you guys to create your own path, forward, and do what's best for you in your scenario, not what's best for me in my scenario. So I just want to make sure that's out there. F Joe, what's up, buddy? XRP rising quick before others is a disaster waiting to happen. Yeah, this is pretty wild right now. This breakout is crazy, because that's what I was trying to show here, is that it's kind of an anomaly here. I mean, yeah, you have HBAR and stuff that's also breaking out right now. We're sitting here looking at Cardano's at 23% up. Stellar's up 26%. Chainlink, we've already said, was going to be up. I mean, I was expecting Chainlink to do well. Hedera, 36% up. I mean, this is a crazy run right here with Hedera again. But a lot of the other things are just average, it's just an average breakout, 10%, 6%, 4%, 7%. So it's like, it's gone way above the market. I mean, that's where I'm saying, like, no one expected to go up 46% in like 4 or 5 days. Like, that's just, with the top 3 crypto, that's kind of unheard of. Last time that happened, obviously, was November 5th. We saw a lot of things going up, 2-3x. But now we're up there, and it's just kind of it's crazy. Like I said, it's kind of an anomaly out here, but it's exciting to see. I'm excited that everyone who has bought in on this and is riding this is excited too. I think that's what makes crypto fun, is when everyone's winning, everyone's in the green, and we're going to continue to ride that, dude. People are making really good money. I saw in the Discord today that someone's like, I made more money in the last couple of days than I made, for my entire job, and I was like, dude, that's badass. Like, that's super cool, dude. Please drop again to the 3 so I can get a bigger bag. Yeah, a lot of people are hoping, that's what I'm saying. So some people get upset, like that people are talking about, like, hey, I want there to be a retracement so I can get in. Like, that's healthy for the charts. I know people don't like to hear that. You got a lot of moon boys, out there that are like, no, pump it only. But we know that's unrealistically impossible to continue to pump. Like, there is going to be some pullback somewhere. I don't mean to be negative, but like that's just reality. Like, but if we can continue to rise into inauguration and continue to flow up, I'm all for it, dude. Like, count me in. My ducks are aligned. We're ready to rock and roll. So that beard is killer. Hopefully XRP grows as well as that. Dude, thank you, man. Yeah, I need to get it trimmed up a little bit, though. I'll be honest with you. I need to get it a little trimmed up. Yeah, what's going on? Hi, good to see you, dude. Get the wheelbarrow ready. I'm with you, dude. Inca, the bags are growing. Absolutely, dude. Good morning. What's up, Geo Northman? Absolutely astonishing. It really is, dude. It really is astonishing to sort of see how this works out. It's really outpacing that of Bitcoin. There's nothing even close to it. And you can see Bitcoin continues to slip, right? There's an article out here with Cointelegraph. Oops, I clicked on it. I already have it up. Right here with Cointelegraph, that Bitcoin has actually slipped a little bit. And if you go look at Bitcoin, I mean, like I said, we're kind of in the selling category here, where we're on this downtrend. So Bitcoin's it's in a weird position compared to a lot of these other altcoins, and that's where like, hey, altcoin season is right. I mean, I think we've been in altcoin season, but some people are thinking, because it has to match that of the dominance of Bitcoin, that we haven't quite got to altcoin season. So to each our own on how we want to view that. But I mean, you don't go up 400 or 500%, 600% on an altcoin and not be in altcoin season. I know it's hard to tell, but do you think I should buy HBAR now? It is hard to tell. And, again, I personally, for me, like, I wouldn't be. If you're new to crypto and you're trying to get your feet wet, I think any accumulation is good accumulation. Again, people miss out on the pumps all the time. Like, people sat on the sidelines and missed out on XRP, hoping it was going to come back. You can't project it. It's hard. Those are hard things to get. We haven't even found the top for Bitcoin. I feel this thing just keeps going up. Every time I think that we might have found a top up here, it just keeps going. So to answer your question, it's hard. It's really hard to say what's going to go on. I mean, we filmed today. This thing went up to 38 this morning, and I was like, okay, maybe 38 is our top. Nope, we bounced back up to 240. So, it's very, very interesting to sort of see how this goes. But with HBAR, the good thing is that HBAR hasn't reached it. So this technically isn't a breakout yet. So it is in a sell. This is in, again, when it's above the 382 level right here, when it's in this area, this yellow area, that means this is a sell. This is like a sell area. Like, people usually, when it gets up this area, it sells. And the higher you can go, you can put up another Fibonacci level up here, which, tells you another level. You could go in here and edit this if you want. And let's see, we can go edit And you could put another one above the 382. We could do let's actually go uh yeah, we could probably go no. Yeah, you can go here. So you can actually create another level here at the 0.236, which again is in sell territory, right? So it doesn't change anything. It's still a sell that's like when it gets to the ultra sell category. If you want to see that, that's like the at this 236 right here. So it's telling you in the red now. This is like it's time to sell once you get to this 236. But I mean, again, this is just a Fibonacci chart. Things go past it all the time. I mean, look at XRP. XRP, if you apply the same strategy to this, I mean, technically, this has been in this area for quite some time. I mean, we've been growing in this area since Wednesday, which is last night we peaked into here. This was technically a buy zone at 285, all the way down to 253. Right? If you're looking at Fibonacci, like that is a buy zone based off of here. And then once you tap into here, you're now in a sell zone. So to each our own on it, what I mean, how you want to view it. And this keeps going up though, I mean, I have to keep adjusting this because again, it was down here further, it was right here. And so we haven't found a top. And that's why it's an anomaly. Austin has to be something to it. They know something we don't. They probably do. I mean, they got Trump coming into office, dude. I mean, they just had, you got to think XRP just had the two biggest people in XRP. Well, two of the bigger people in XRP just had dinner with Trump. I mean, I'm pretty sure they probably had a lot of things discussed and things that are going to be moving forward. And Ripple obviously is an American-based company that has a lot of technology behind it. They're obviously wanting there to be a lot of tech here. So I don't know what was discussed, but probably they do know more than us. There's a lot of people here that know a lot more than us. We're living in the most important time in history. I agree, JR. I agree. We're standing on the edge of tomorrow, 100%. How many in there hold XLM? Yeah, XLM's killing it too. Let's not forget XLM, right? I don't talk about XLM enough. It's my fifth largest bag. I should probably give it more love. But Hbar and XRP are just really killing it for me right now. But yeah, XLM's been doing phenomenal too, right? I mean, my buy zone down here was 40 cents. We're up to 50 cents, 10 cents up. Can't knock that, dude. I mean, that's a really, really good opportunity for anyone that got in at that point. But like I said, nothing's even XLM hasn't broken out yet, right? We haven't had a breakout. I mean, yeah, we're up pretty good right now. If you look down here, if you bought down here and you're up here, you're up 55%, which is great. But a breakout is when we get back above this height right here. So to me, like that's when we have a breakout, when we finally break out from being in the sideways trading. We sideways traded down. We traded down a little bit, and then now we're trading a little sideways based off of this. But once we break out and go past this high, this cycle high of 63, that's when we really are. We have a breakout. Right here, you can see that Hbar is right on the cusp of that happening. Hbar sitting here at almost 40 cents. If it gets above that, we could have a potential breakout for that. So, but Hbar's been brewing. If you guys know, I've been saying this, dude. It's been trading sideways. Like we're ready for this to continue to rise. You know what I mean? I only copy trades, Austin. You only copy my trades, bro. At 27, hey man, yeah, you're doing good right now. 27's a good buy, dude. 6K there, you're killing it right now, man. Yeah, that's awesome to see, dude. That's awesome. I warned everyone a month ago this would happen. Yeah, I think a lot of us were hoping that this was going to go up. I mean, we all knew that the hearing was going to come, and that the extension was going to go forward, that the SEC was going to push forward. We know that inauguration's around the corner. It was just a matter of timing when it was going to happen. And like I said, XRP kind of kickstarted before a lot of other people. XRP kickstarted on Friday, this last Friday, so almost 6 days ago is when XRP started really separating itself from every other crypto out there, and it hasn't looked back since. I mean, it's literally has not looked back since. This is what's crazy about it is typically you try to follow all the other ones here and then have a breakout, but not XRP. XRP just took life by the horns right there. Hoffy, thanks so much for the $5, dude. And investing into trading, if you believe in the investment, don't be afraid to buy and hold. Yeah, 100%, Hoffy. I agree. If you believe that this can do good things and we can get to the levels that we want to get to, you know, that's what Michael Saylor does, right? He doesn't care. He's like, I believe in my philosophy is I'm going to buy when I have the money to buy, regardless of where Bitcoin's at, because I'm just going to accumulate as much Bitcoin as possible, because I see the future of Bitcoin being bigger than gold, being bigger than any other asset out there, and that's just his mentality. And that's, you know, some people call him crazy, some people call him dumb, but look at him now. You know what I mean? HBAR is 50 billion max supply, around 70% has been released, lower dilution risk than, yeah, it's definitely a lower risk. I mean, you know, in terms of the amount that's been released. Paul, what's going on, man? Gonna get us all retirement? I hope so, dude. I hope we can all retire soon. All just retire extra early. J-Lo, what's going on, man? It's hard to say the price prediction until Monday. Like I said, I kind of want there to be a retracement to some level this weekend so that we can have a bigger breakout on inauguration or thereafter. I don't want there to be like where we continue to rise and then inauguration comes and we have this big fall off. Like that's what's gonna cause that's what's gonna cause some sleepless nights. Been saying to get in on 2023. Think it's something not been there in crypto or this channel. Then get a small bag first, then flash crashes like I did when I first got in. Yeah, Trent, I'm with you, dude. Yeah, that's where we gotta avoid. We got to get in before the flash crash. No, they're not related, Wooly. They're not related. You DM me in Discord. That's not me, Andrew. I promise you. I do not DM anyone. What's up, Seiko? I cashed out my 401k last year and put it all on XRP. I'm officially a millionaire as of this morning. That's awesome, Jason. That's cool. So cool to see here. XRP is on a rocket all-time high. I agree, man. I think we're getting there. I think we could hit an all-time high. Definitely here in Q1 of 2025, we'll hit all-time highs. There's no question about it now. With XRP only 20 cents away from an all-time high, there's no question now that we're not touching that at some point. Doing all I can to make my employer to send me on vacation. I trim my beards outside. Oh, gotcha, Tracy. XRP is not an altcoin; it's a main coin coming from BTC, and I'm also in for BTC pumping too. It's a main coin. HBAR has smart contracts unlike XRP, which is purely a centralized exchange coin at this time. HBAR, well, XRP does have the XRPL now, which has smart contracts. They did adopt that, Milton. You can go into the XRPL ledger, and they are building smart contracts on the ledger. So they put that in like September of 2024, I think they put it on the XRP contract. So yeah, they accept smart contracts now. Look at Link, close to a higher high that breaks out. Yeah, Link is, I told you guys, Link, I was actually kind of excited where Link was, you know, down here at this level. I think a lot of people on the channel bought in at this level down here. We were talking about it for a while. You know, we gave the positives and the negatives to it of where it could go. And this is a really good purchase, honestly, good purchase down here where a lot of people on the channel were buying it. And I mean, we're up roughly on Link. I mean, if we're buying down here when we're talking about it, we're up, you know, almost 30%. Yeah, the goal here though is we got to break out of here to get above, to create another high. We don't want to start selling here and create another low because we've already created a low here, another high, higher low. We did a lower low to a higher low to a lower low. Like this is officially a downtrend. Like we broke into a downtrend. So if this actually goes down again, like that's not good for Link. You know what I mean? Like we'll have to try to break out of this somehow. Try to break out of this downfall. Okay, guys, my skis, guitar, and bikes are officially 50% off. Lots of rumors XRP will be added to a strategic basket. Yeah, they were talking about that today. Austin, how did you learn to read charts and analyze everything? I think just time in the space, time and energy put into it, and just listening and trying to. I mean, you know, it's 4 years of just doing that. So. Yeah, it takes time. It can be overwhelming at first, for sure. It can definitely be overwhelming at first, but so the last hour showing a little bit of a decline in the last 2 hours. You can see right here, but it seems like every time we have a bit of a sell-off, we can't come to bounce back. But you can see right here, we did fill this fair value gap this morning, 325 to 320 to 325. The next one after that is 316 to right around 310. So that's probably your next levels. Then you got one here at 308, followed by 3. If we look at the depth chart here, we can see that 330 has a decent buy wall. We have like almost 200,000, not too much. The buys are pretty spread out, dude. I'm gonna be honest, dude. The buys are pretty spread out. We have one decent sized wall here at 3, which is roughly about almost a million. We got another one here at 280, which is roughly almost a million. And we got another one here at 370, which is almost that's not that big, half a million. And then we got a pretty big one back over here, about a million at the 250 marker. But you can see the sell walls here. Big one at 350. Look at that wall at 350. Look at this wall at freaking 370, and look at this giant wall at $4. Dude, that's crazy. Almost what, 3-4 million right there. So, but again, don't let the walls deter you. It's just sometimes it could be smoke and mirrors. I did not buy the Onyx coin. Hey Austin, what's the indicator on the right? Oh, this is your volume. You can take a look at it right here. It's your visible range profile. This just tells you the volume at these levels. Helps determine like where your support and resistance levels are. And you can see right here, look at this right here. This is right in this 252, which is a lot in this area right here. You can see that there was a pretty good amount of supports. Even out in here at the 232, you could look at all that level. I was telling this morning, you know, they're starting to build a little bit up here. Look at that right there at this 233 or this 333 level right here. It's pretty good. But earlier this morning, this was like pretty small, these levels over here. So yeah, let me move that in a little bit. There we go. Now it's a little better. But we're already seeing right here on the 1 hour that we're coming back down. The 4 hour still holding strong right above right here. The 12 hour on the RSI is starting to look like it's starting to peak a little bit on the 12 hour, and the 1 day is still holding strong at the top. So yeah, it's pretty interesting when you look at this stuff. Toolbox, thanks so much for the $2. Freedom, thank you very much. Or $2 in euros, that is. Thank you very much, man, for the donation to the channel. Vicenzo, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Can you give Ada some love, Austin? Yeah, we can look at Ada real quick. Ada's actually been doing pretty good. I'll give Ada some props. You know, down here it was below. It was at 88 cents. Same time frame we were looking at Chainlink, and it didn't create a newer low, right? It created a newer low here, but it busted out and didn't create a. Now we just got to get above this to create another high. What we don't want to do is come back down now, because again, we haven't created a lower high, right? We want to create a higher high out of this to be able to break out. So again, I think Ada's 12 hours looking a little over purchased. The 4 hours looking it's actually looking pretty good for the 4 hour. The day chart's on its way up. So yeah, I think Ada might look pretty good. It's just a slow mover for me, you know what I mean? A lot slower than a lot of others. That's all. Starting to think that there won't be any dips until after inauguration. Yeah, this weekend, it'll be interesting to see this weekend, because you can see the stocks right now are kind of bleeding a little bit, even after the positive news yesterday, just because there was a lot of the market got oversold. So you got to think people out here are still playing the game, right? They're still selling every day to make profits and stuff like that. So the game will continue. If it keeps rising, then people. The reason why it won't keep rising is because there's just people will start shorting, right? They make money in shorts. They make money in the selling of the market. So they're not going to allow that to happen. So I can see, and one positive thing that came out of today is that, so there's where is it at? Right here. So Federal Reserve official says that 3 to 4 rate cuts are still possible for 2025. As you guys know, the market took a really bad dump that day when they said that the crypto market, or that they weren't going to be lowering any rates in 2025. Well, now you have Christopher Waller comes out here and says that there could still be 4 rate cuts. And so this is kind of nice to hear, right? Yeah, this is kind of what you want to hear. You want to hear that there's going to be rate cuts. And if we hear that there's going to be rate cuts, the markets will respond pretty positively to that. So again, someone else who is coming in and going to help change the pace of a lot of things. So even right here, Scott, who's the Trump's treasury pick, he says out of control spending, and they're going to put a lot of money back into the United States economy. So I think that, again, we'll have to sort of see what happens here with the Trump administration, but I think a lot of things are going to be, I guess I want to be positive and bullish towards what's to come here in this in 2025. You know what I mean? Why would I want to be negative going into 2025 with everything coming down? Need H bar to come down. Oh, really? Yeah, I think that'd be nice. Right now, I have more money than I've ever had. Dude, that's awesome, Aircent. Can you look at BTC lower highs with low lows on the 3-month chart? Do you see it falling? I don't know if I see it falling because even when Bitcoin, even when the dominance of Bitcoin continues to come down, Bitcoin continues to rise. So even when we see this, even on the weekly right here, I mean, it doesn't look that bad. This is actually a bull flag, dude. I mean, if you pull back the weekly right here, that is the perfect definition of a bull flag. So like you got the pull, you got the you got the flag right here. We could even draw the trend lines, right? I mean, we could draw the trend. Oops, we could draw the trend line. All right, we got the little trend line going right here. I mean, you can see right here. I mean, we have a bull flag right here, guys. So on the weekly chart, like Bitcoin looks actually pretty damn good. You know what I mean? We can probably pull this up if we wanted to. You know, it's looking pretty good. I mean, we could have a nice little breakout on the channel right here if we wanted to. You know, but that's really looking nice. Again, I don't usually put these charts. I don't usually draw these things out there, but I mean, we got the pull. You can see right here. I mean, this is the pull, and we got the flag. I mean, that's literally what we're seeing right here. Boom, boom, boom. So, yeah, I don't know. Bitcoin's looking like a potential breakout. You know, is it going to have? Are we going to have a decline before this breakout? I don't know. The weekly chart's looking pretty damn positive, right? Considering history has shown that we have 2 red weeks starting off the week. But I mean, we had really good data come out. We had the good CPI data come out. Which wasn't expected. So that caused the market to react to that. So I don't know if we're going to have a second week in the tomorrow for it to actually get into the red. I mean, we'd have to get down to. We opened up the day at night. We opened up this week at 94. And so it'd have to come back down to 94 and go below 94 for it to actually end the week on Sunday in the red. So that's a pretty big ask. That's almost what, $6,000 off the top. So we'd have to have a pretty big liquidation event. Jason, thanks so much for the $2, dude. XCN is killing it. It's on Coinbase. Is XCN on Coinbase? Is that a new XCN? Oh, Onx Coin. Yeah, I did see that was on. Is it on Coin? I don't know if it's on Coinbase. Is it XCN? Yeah, I don't think it's on. I don't know if it's on Coinbase. Is it XCN? Yeah, you're right. It is on. It is on Coinbase. Yeah, it's killing it right now. They give you that. Tracy, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you very, very much for that, and welcome. We're pumping with all the coins. Yeah, I mean, all coin season right around the corner. Tossed out my depression pills and bought XRP. All right, Dirty, get it, man, get it. Austin, last night video was posted on YouTube as members only. Yeah, I posted on there as members only, just because I recorded it in Discord, and so I posted on members only. Yeah, so I do. Anyone that it knows, if for memberships, I do go into Discord and try to I'll go in there and spend some time with them, and I'll make a video, and then I usually post it on members only. So you have to be an A team member to get access to I guess the behind the scenes streams. David Schwartz comes on tweet, all-time high was sold at 384 or bought. So yeah, 384. Was it 384 is where it's at? Yeah, 384 is definitely where it was at. John, thanks so much for the $5, dude. For our next baby H bar. Hell yeah, dude. H bar is dude, I'm gonna be honest, man. H bar has got me super excited. We obviously are really excited about XRP, but H bar is that next one where, again, the market cap's sitting around 11 billion, and there's just a lot of room to grow with the ecosystem, and it's just another kind of exciting crypto out there that we've been following for quite some time. Same with XLM is out there too as a really good one too. So hopefully those all become top 10 cryptos here in 2025. Stupid. What's up, Bernie? Good to see you, buddy. Good to see you, Bernie. Good to see Bernie in the house here. Can you provide some detail in regards to what the blue? Yeah, it's just volume coming across these levels, right? All the way across the levels. So even if the chart it's way back even over here, it's coming in at these levels. So that's what you're looking at across the board here. All the levels of volume that are coming out, and you can see it's a very strong, like a lot of volume down here, which is holding the floor at 5 cents. A lot of people are buying at 5 cents for H bar, 4 or 5 cents, and as you climb, it gets the volume comes up here. So yeah, you can see levels down here at this 28 marker has a lot of volume, right? Anywhere from 30 to roughly 27, you can see these levels of support, which are these white lines right here. And this one probably needs to go. So that's kind of where we're at right now with H bar. So H bar is looking pretty solid right now. My dad showed me. What influencers helped you improve in learning crypto stocks when you first started? No one, dude. I didn't watch anyone. Faustino. The only people I watched, I was watching people for like meme coins and stuff like that. I wasn't watching anyone for technical analysis. The only people, like I've watched, I use TradingView a lot. So just going on TradingView for my self learning. So TradingView is really good. I did watch, what's his name? Benjamin Cohen. I've watched him. I've also watched Tom Crown. I think Tom Crown's his name. I've watched him for a few things. I don't watch them religiously. I haven't subscribed to them. I just, sometimes where things will pop up, I watch them. But yeah, I don't really get to answer your question. I don't really, I guess I just self-taught myself just looking at this stuff. So, yeah, I'd rather just, watch it on YouTube, look it on TradingView, do that kind of stuff, and apply it to the chart right away. You still have your buy order at 225? I actually do, dude. Yes, I still have my buy order at 225. I'll probably make some adjustments to it. 225 is probably a little out of reach now. Last night going to bed, I felt like it was still within reach. Again, it was a super aggressive buy order in the first place. I said that in Discord. I said that I think I even said on stream that it was a super aggressive purchase as well, or it was super aggressive in terms of setting it. 225 hit multiple times, so yeah, it was definitely aggressive. But hey, right here when it hit 233, 232, we weren't too far off when it came back down. It was just trying to catch that. You know what I mean? So sometimes you get it, sometimes you don't. Right? It was like I said, it was an aggressive buy order, and it didn't hit. So we'll see if it comes back. But right now, you can look at XRP and you can see where your retracements could be. And again, is it going to hit this 225 zone, which is where the white's at? It's pretty far. It's a pretty far fall off. I think I pulled it today. Even from the price of where it's at right now, that would be roughly a 33% fall off in the market. That would be 32% fall off in the market. That'd be pretty strong. So, you probably have to taper that back a little bit. You probably are in the 245 to 250 range now based off of this, where this golden pocket is. So yeah, I'll probably have to adjust it, but yeah, it's still in there. It's funny. It's funny you ask. Okay, let's see here. I haven't caught up to anyone here. I'm still far behind. Sorry, I'm 10 minutes behind. Baby Slick, thanks so much for the $5, dude. Should I accumulate more XRP with profits or hold about 900? My average is 234. That's a pretty good price, dude. That's a hard thing to say, man. I don't know your situation, bro. I don't know if you need the money, if you don't, if you're like looking for a long-term hold, if you're looking for a swing trade. Like, there's so many questions I have with that. Appreciate the $5. And yeah, if you're looking for a swing trade, yeah, you're going to take your profits. If you're looking for a long-term hold, then you kind of just want to accumulate and hold. So it all depends on the strategy of what you're looking at. Hopium Days, thanks so much for the $20, dude. Thank you for your knowledge and the A-team. Yeah, no, I appreciate you guys just being here, man. You guys always hold it down, always showing up, and I couldn't be happier, dude. So thank you so much for the $20 donation. Gosh dang. You guys are awesome. Thank you. And I'm trying to catch up to the chat now, guys. Trying to catch up because if you guys are chatting it up today. What does it say? Navigator Austin needs to come to coffee time and join. What is this? Digital? Austin, what are you doing with your 325? What is your next buy marker? Well, I'm still at 225. So my next buy marker, like I said, I probably have to adjust it here. I'm looking for before I move it around. I'm looking for. I need to find a top, right? We need to find a top before I can, look for retracement levels. I mean, you could buy this stuff, and you could buy these levels, and some people have jumped in this morning and all that kind of stuff. Which again, do your own strategy, do your own stuff. I just, I like to wait for good retracements, find good zones, be patient, and then strike, and that's kind of my goal. So we'll see what happens, man. We'll see what happens. We'll see when this happens. We got to find a top first, and I feel like XRP has not been able to be tamed yet. So, which is cool with me. I'm okay with that. XCM is making regret not buying more. Yeah, I think a lot of people feel that way. Are you not on TikTok anymore? Dude, they kept flagging me, dude. So I just said, you know what? I'll just hold off. I'll just hold off on TikTok until the US gets it. Hopefully it goes to like Elon and he allows free speech to be on there. That'd be cool. I definitely have more money than ever. That's awesome, Crypto Navigator. That's awesome. XRP hitting 190. Well, we usually go down to the previous all-time highs. So the last one that we could look back is that it's going to come back down. Like after this bull run, then the next low is going to be roughly, I mean, we didn't get to see a bull run in 2021 because of the SEC. So we don't really have something to go off of how far it goes down, but usually it goes down to the previous bull's high. And so it'll be interesting. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know if we're going to far exceed the 336 or sorry, the 358 and get all-time highs and blow above that and then come back down and hit it again. I don't know. It's a good question, It's definitely something we if you don't like, I have no idea if it's going to or not. That's the thing. Let's see, boost this guy's algorithm, hit that like button. I appreciate you, man. Linda's MIA. What's up, Intrigue? Good to see you, buddy. Kevin Ray, thanks so much for the $5, dude. Good morning, Austin. Love your channel. What would market cap have to be to hit $100? Market cap would have to be. I haven't done the market cap calculator in quite some time. That's pretty crazy. We can do it real quick though. Let's go to XRP here. We could look up XRP. We could see the price for $100. That would take us to about $5 trillion market cap, $5.7 trillion market cap, and that would be almost a 30x from where we're at right now. So $5 trillion, almost $6 trillion in market cap. That's nuts, dude. That would literally be double the market cap of where all of crypto is right now. As you guys know, the market cap for crypto is sitting at roughly 3.53 trillion. So, again, if you're basing things off market cap, which again, market cap is a security based, we assess securities based off market cap, and they've always applied market cap to crypto. If these somehow get determined to be a commodity, then market cap really won't matter at that point, and we'll just trade it, and that's really what it comes down to. So, yeah, bucks though, I do appreciate that, and that's what it would be, man. It would be a 30x from where we're at right now. So, yeah, pretty crazy. $5.7 trillion market cap would be wild, dude. Later, all right, Inca. Later, I'll see you in Discord, man. Take it easy, buddy. Appreciate you being here. How do I know when my membership ends and extends it and to extend it? I think when it ends, you won't have the little logo next to you. I think you might have a Dogecoin next to you. And once that ends, then you'll have to go in and probably if you got gifted one, you'll have to go in and probably buy one yourself or wait to be gifted again, I guess. A-bot promoting croc stocks. That's funny. That's funny, Queef. I saw that. Fans like, I think we got hacked. Hedera catching Sui on the market cap. Yeah, they're catching quick. You know what I mean? Hey, what's happening? The charts are going nuts. Yeah, I think it's just there's just a lot of we got inauguration coming, guys. I mean, we've anticipated this on the channel. We didn't know when it was going to hit, but I mean, we were all building a bag, building in anticipation of when that day was coming, and it just XRP just hit sooner than everyone else. So, yeah, it's pretty crazy when you think about it. Should I think of this as connected to my wife's email? So I'll have to look at. Oh, really? I didn't know that, dude. Well, my XRP has made me a bundle of fiat. If I decide to sell over, but my Hbar and Caspa has a fortune, I can't wait to see. Dude, I'm with you, man. My pseudonym. What's up, Aiden? Good to see you, buddy. Hedera, yeah. Is there another exchange besides Coinbase that you recommend? Crypto.com. Crypto.com is the only other one I can use. It used to be uh, Binance.us. Binance.us was like my number one because they had really cheap spot trading over there, and then they took away that, so we couldn't use Binance.us. They took away MEXC and they took away KuCoin. So the only thing left for me in Washington State is literally Coinbase and Crypto.com. Those are the only two I can use. Kind of lame. Austin's my religion, 9 to 5. Palma, appreciate that, man. Yeah, Crypto.com. Yeah, Code Core is on it. Code Core has got it down, dude. Digital Orgy coming in hot with the $10. Austin, come to the next live coffee time with Uncle Buster and Berserker. Okay. I've never seen that. I'll have to take a check. Digi, thanks so much for the $10, bro. It's good to see you, man. It's good to see Digi. We got Hogzilla in the house here. What's up, Hog? Hope all is going well with your new gig, man. I was thinking about you the other day. I was hoping that your gig was going good with the art and stuff like that. So yeah, Nightmare was you with the crazy intrigue. Austin, you not letting go of that 225? No, dude. I said that if it got back down to 225, I would definitely do the Trump dance. If it got back down to 225, but again, we'd have to have a pretty damn big liquidation in the market, dude. Like a liquidation event that would probably be catastrophic to a lot of people. So the 225, that would be a tough reality for a lot of people if it did get to 225. And I wouldn't want people to get wrecked like that. So I don't want to talk 225 into existence anymore because I don't want people to get wrecked like that. So after someone mentioned average price, I went and calculated mine as 213. Oh wow, dude, that's pretty good. That's good, Kyle. 213 is a really good price. I bought 170 XRP at 80 cents, 500 XLM at damn, Justin. Good job, man. I have 9,000 XRP now. I'll get my outlay out of damn, that's pretty good, Darren. 9,000 XRP is really, really good. Oh, people are having dreams of XRP hitting 10K. Yeah, dude, 10K would be wild, bro. 10K, I mean, if 10K hit, that would be, I don't even know what I would think. I'd probably be on a yacht in Fiji or something like that if that happened. Without question. Darn it, I tried to create a run. Oh, you tried to? All right, Jimmy. Not gonna happen. Yeah, you were talking about that. I think y'all realizing that market cap is actually the least important thing. It really, Austin, the average is 327. But I'm looking to get your feet wet. I'm looking to hold at least 6 months. Yeah, longer term is probably good. Yeah, you're right, Milton. Only 57% has been released of XRP. If XRP is going to be handling massive money and transaction, its price point will be triple, if not quadruple. It very well could, yeah. I regret nothing taking my money on XRP. I'm with you. I regret nothing. I like that attitude. I regret nothing, dude. Just do you. Can you talk about Ledger again and where you buy? Oh yeah, I mean Ledger is just an interface, bro. This right here just holds the keys to your crypto. You don't hold any. This doesn't hold any of your Bitcoin or any of your stuff. So yeah, and I just buy on Coinbase and move it over. I think you could buy XDC. They said on Uphold, I think is where it's at. Oh, well, the thing is that, a lot of these like Bitcoin's a commodity, right? It's not a security. Ethereum's technically a commodity as of right now, even though the SEC says they're not. But I mean, commodity like gold, oil, corn. You go down the list of things, dog food. We don't have market caps on dog food. We don't got a market cap on corn. We don't got a market cap on oil. We got a market cap on a lot of things, but then that makes it a security. Like we'll have market caps on Tesla and market caps on Apple. But when it comes to commodities, you don't put a market cap on those things. It's infinite at that point. It's just a matter of what the supply and demand is of it. And if there's more, if there's more supply than demand, the price is going to be lower. If there's more demand than supply, the price is going to be higher. Simple as that. I mean, that's why eggs were going crazy, right? Eggs are a commodity. Eggs are up, freaking everyone's 10x. If you bought some egg stocks or you own an egg company, you've 10x your investment or 10x your income because eggs are like ridiculously priced, and that's just because of supply and demand. Supply went down, demand went up. Scalping's like you're getting in there, you're taking like, so like swing trades, like you can get into a swing trade, you can be in there for a day to 2 weeks to a month. I mean, it all depends on how long you want to swing trade. Scalping's like you get in there, you make a buck, you make a quick buck, you get out, right? You do leverage trading. So you'll go in, you'll put, $10,000 down on a 10x, so you're taking $100,000 in leverage. You're going waiting for it to go up to 1%, and you're taking your gains. Like you're scalping the market. You're going up a 0.5% and taking the money. You know what I mean? Like that's scalping. You're not waiting for it to go, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6% or whatever. You're not swing trade. You're literally scalping it. You're whatever small gains you can get, you're taking. And they don't let you do crap. They don't let you do DraftKings. Yeah, King. They don't let you do anything here in Washington. It's really lame. I call it cell phone to stop with so many emojis. That has got some. Yeah, KuCoin has it. Yeah, I can't use it though. Like I said, I think in Washington, the only one I could probably use is, I think Uphold's another one, but I don't use Uphold. To think it could get got down to 196, I know, right, Paul? And that was not even that long ago, dude. 196 got us down here. This is back like literally on December 20th. Not even 30 days ago, we're at 196. You know what I mean? It's pretty wild. Yo, Austin, you got to catch some coffee time with your hard hat, bro. They go hard and crazy as hell. That's awesome, dude. How a liquidation of BTC with Tether crashes, is balloons holding up BTC? Yeah, I mean, yeah. If Tether crashes, I mean, Bitcoin would probably struggle a little bit too. XRP hits 10K is the 10x XRP tats for me. That's funny, man. There is a nice entry point on Ondo. Yeah, are you guys still holding your Ondo? Tomorrow, 2 days from now. So what is that? Saturday, they're going to release the Ondo is going to release their coins. Still coming down. I mean, it's tried to recover a little bit, but yeah, Ondo's still coming down slightly. So still trickling upwards right now. So looking pretty good. Still 15%, outperforming a lot of the market right now. 37%. Some money's definitely flowing into Hbar. Last hour. Yeah, this last hour we're in the red. We'll see how this next hour. We have another hour coming up here at 11. So here in about 12 minutes, we'll see what the next candle does. It looks like it's going red, red, green, green. So red, red. Will we have green, green, or will we actually break out and go into a downtrend? This could be the break to the downtrend if we have another red candle on this one. So, but last time we had a three red candle hour, we broke out of it. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see how this plays out. We're here for it, though. We're here for it. We're watching. What does monetize XRP? What does it mean monetize XRP? Like make it valuable, monetize it. I mean, make it valuable. Like add money, like make it like to where you could pay with things, monetize it. It has value. You all going to say I'm crazy, but yesterday was my first day leverage trading. I hold crypto and wallets, but I learned a lot from Austin. I felt confident leverage trading. Thanks for the great dude. That's awesome. So you probably had a pretty good leverage trade then. Hopefully you went long and you're sitting pretty right now. I live in New York City, but can't buy XDC. Dude, really? That's crazy. See, that's crazy to me. We can't buy these things. Would you stick with Coinbase even if they were available? No, I would stick with. I liked Binance.us. Binance.us had really cheap fees, dude, and plus you could buy BNB on there. Now I have to buy BNB on the decentralized exchanges. So, I really like BNB. BNB was like my baby for a long time there. Ask Big Watch, ask people to Seiko and all them. I mean, BNB was like my thing, dude. I think BNB was like my third largest bag for a long time there. And then the whole CZ thing happened. I was like, sell, selling that thing. Um, Yeah, but Binance.us was one of the better exchanges for swing trading. I was swing trading on Binance before any other place that I had. Binance.us was legit. I hope we get Binance.us back. They're actually a legit exchange, but we'll see. We'll see if it actually comes back or not. Big B, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you very, very much, and welcome, welcome. Tether has inflated the price of BTC balloons popping. Hope not. Yeah, I get what you're saying. I know what you're saying, Michael. Yeah, I mean anything with Tether can definitely influence the price of that of Bitcoin for sure. Should I invest £5 in XRP until next week? It's going to be tough, man. Like I said, I'm going to kind of wait this. I mean, like I'm in a position where I can wait this out, right? I mean, because I've established a bag. Now it's just a waiting game for me to find the best retracement for the best trade possible, for the best swing trade. So I'm just sitting here waiting for the swing trade on the sidelines, and some people are buying in and trading right now, and that's great. You could do that. I just again I'm more risk adverse when it comes to this. Like I'd rather sit and wait for me to get my wait for my data to align, find a good entry, and then put max amount for max profits. Paul, thanks so much for the $5, dude. What if we rebrand XRP? What if they, dude? Then I mean, will they beat the SEC? Right, the SEC is still calling them a security. So if the SEC comes back and drops the case, then they're probably going to come out and say that they're a commodity. And if they're a commodity, then yeah, I mean, technically, I think we'll never go away from market cap because it helps give some kind of like market evaluation. But I mean, yeah, it'd be under the a commodity versus the SEC. It wouldn't even be under the SEC anymore. The SEC would have no regulation over it. What is the best way to get introduced to swing trading? Just get on Coinbase Advanced and start trying to find areas for entry and then sell. You know what I mean? Good morning. It's go all in on HBAR or wait. I'm kind of waiting for. I mean, I'm already pretty heavy into HBAR right now. Pretty heavy into a lot of these. So anything I do is going to be just for a swing trade, which I won't be holding for a long time. But I mean, yeah, I'm going to wait for these things to come down just slightly and see what happens. So yeah, here goes, dude. XRP has been so resilient, dude. Like it does not want to give any retracement whatsoever before inauguration. Like it's fighting every urge to retrace in any way, which is cool for some. Yeah, definitely. Thank you, Graham. Yeah, hit those like buttons for me. Appreciate that a ton, dude. Thank you. There's an entry point on Ondo and HBAR and Morpho. Yeah, I'm not touching Ondo until I have a better idea of what they're doing with the money. XRP flipped through. Yeah, we saw that today, Viking. Yeah, what's up, Viking Cat? Yeah, I pointed out today. I mean, we jumped it by like it was like $6 billion. XRP is like $6 billion more. So yeah, pretty crazy. It's going good. I've been listening on my commute, so I haven't been in the chat. Oh, that's all good, bro. Yeah, I just appreciate you being here. Billy Hickman, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Appreciate that donation to the channel, man. So right here, XRP witnesses epic breakout versus Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is what I was talking about, is that this is even beating that of Ethereum and Bitcoin when it comes to this breakout. When you're comparing the two here, this thing is going nuts. It says the price of XRP has not soared in line with the rest of the crypto market, but in contrast to it, in the last few hours, the popular cryptocurrency has seen its prices literally tear apart its main rivals, that of Bitcoin and Ethereum, with a stunning 16% rise. So again, traders are now going, crap, this is actually outperforming that of Bitcoin and Ethereum, which again is not trading. It's completely depegged from the rest of the cryptocurrency market, which is kind of concerning, right? To some degree, you're like, crap, dude. I mean, it's breaking away. This is great. But what does that mean for the rest of the market? Is it when the rest of the market's pumping, is this going to pull back? Are people going to be exiting with their profits and putting into other cryptos like a Bitcoin and Ethereum to make those next ones rise? That very well could happen. I don't know. But yeah, it's definitely crazy. The XRP's breakout is definitely something to keep an eye on, even if you do not like the token. While the cryptocurrency rise is impressive, how it continues and whether it can hold these gains will be closely watched. Beyond the numbers, the breakout points to bigger changes both in the XRP ecosystem and a wider crypto world. So again, they're saying that basically, we don't know what's going to happen here, but it's up over 77% alone. Gosh, damn, that's wild. That's pretty badass. This right here is pretty crazy. Coinbase announces Bitcoin-backed loan. So last bull market, Coinbase did this. Coinbase put out where you could actually back your loans with Bitcoin. Now millions of users can borrow against their Bitcoin on Coinbase. I don't know if that's a good thing. I don't know if that's a good thing or not. But I mean, hey, dude, people will probably do it. So kudos to them if they do that. Here's that bull flag I was talking about. So we're in a bull flag pattern right now. You can definitely see right here, boom, we're on this bull flag. Look at this right here. You can see this little flag right here, kind of starting right there. So that's positive, right? Bull flag, breakout, bull flag, breakout. We're gonna have a bull flag, hopefully a breakout. So that's kind of where we're looking at right now. Thanks for being real, Austin. The way you teach, inform us here has totally helped me. Our other podcast influencers are so full of shit. Taking shiitake mushrooms. You're definitely a brother. I appreciate that, Big B. That's funny, man. The shiitake mushroom, that's pretty good. I actually read it as shit. That's a good one. I like that. I appreciate that, Big B. Thank you so much, man. Stepping into grace. Thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you very much and welcome. I definitely thought Hbar, expecting it to be Hbar pump. Yeah, I mean, Hbar is still going to look pretty good, dude. I mean, I don't think that we're still going to be holding on tight with Hbar. I'm excited for what the future holds for Hbar. Still sitting here at 37. So yeah, we're looking pretty good. Let's go to the hour chart's looking pretty good, right? I mean, the highest this got in this last couple hours, 4 hour, what is that, 5 hours? It got up to 37.5. We're sitting at 37 right now. So we have about 4 minutes for the hour to turn over to create a new hourly candle here. And I want to say the 4 hour is going to start here at about noon. So we'll be on here for about noon. So we'll be able to see the new 4 hour candle and how that breaks. So be interesting to see where this goes. Coinbase will not let me leverage trade. Yeah, I think you got to put in your social security and all that stuff. Yeah, I saw that they were moving. Yeah, that's right. Tether is moving to El Salvador. That is true. That is very true. So El Salvador, obviously is they're trying to become the Bitcoin capital of the world too. So, El Salvador being one of the safest nations in the world now, you got Tether moving over there and, opening up shop over there. So I can't really dog them for that. Ripple has RSD coins. So what do the difference between the stable coins? Nothing. That's just their own stable coin. They'll make money off people using their stable coin. So Billy, thanks so much for the 199 again. Brad just posted on X. Let's take a look and see what he had to say. Appreciate the donation, bud. Good old Brad. Let's see what Brad had to say here. Good old Brad Garlandhouse came out and said, for the first time, but certainly not my last, we have, who is this? Mort join with Richard Tang and J.K. Fruit or Joel Khalil on stage to discuss the path to 1 billion crypto users, with the largest market capital finally embracing crypto and a talk of crypto strategic reserves. I respect that. Rather, man, this is weird. Imminent U.S. regulatory clarity, a step function change and adoption is closer than you think. So he's obviously over here talking about, I guess, crypto strategic reserves. I mean, we did see that Trump came out and said that XRP, they wanted XRP to be a part of that. So, yeah, you can't really knock that. I want to go back to that real quick, Greg Garlandhouse. Yeah, that's pretty badass. It was pretty funny yesterday. Forgot to talk about this. It says one definition of insanity: doing the same thing over and over and expecting different results. Gary Gensler's really took this to heart. Dude, he's just straight. I forgot to bring this up yesterday in the stream. When I read this, I was cracking up, dude. So yeah, no, thanks again, Billy, for the donation and letting me know that. Which exchanges have the lowest fees? It's a good question. I only use 2 exchanges, so that's a tough one. You know what I mean? Gemini, yeah, I can't use Gemini, but yeah, Gemini, I guess maybe has some low fees. Yeah, definitely put them in the chat on what you guys think is the best for the low fees. Because again, I only can use Coinbase and Crypto.com. I'm a Christian. I believe that the world governments. Let's see here. Where have you all been? You should have put that 5 pounds in XRP a year ago. Yeah, it happens though. New people come to crypto every day. So, also take a look at MACD on the daily from December to now. Slight decline implying a drop approaching. You think so? You think a slight decline's approaching? Let's see here in just a sec. Yeah, you can see. I mean, yeah, if you're looking at that, you can definitely see that a decline is approaching. It's down. It's down towards the bottom, right? You're seeing the decline right here. So here's what he's talking about right here. You can look on Bitcoin right now. So this is on the 1 hour for Bitcoin, but you have this MA, which is called the moving average convergence divergence, and it's basically the whole goal of this is to help measure. There's like to help identify exits and entries into different positions. So it's just another indicator that you can watch. And again, you can see it's on the decline again, no different than like the RSI right here. So you can have like these declines down here, and it's looking like it's on a downtrend again. So you're going to go down below these areas, and you'll see when these things are on a downtrend, the blue will cross the yellow or the red and continue to have a downtrend, which you see right here. This last downtrend, you can see this, and so we're already up, and now we're working our way down. You can apply this to XRP too if you like. Again, just another measure here. So XRP or Bitcoin is showing us that, and you can see right here, this thing has definitely. Last time we were this high, on the MACD up here, we were at all-time highs right here. So we're actually slowly climbing up right here. And that's what he's saying. Are we positioning ourselves to have a decline now? It's a good question. It's a good question. And again, when you look at the different charts, you'll have different results. So, here's this little boom right here. You see this boom right here. Now we're coming up. We have this boom right here. So how far do we go up before we come back down is a good question. Um, but yeah, it's definitely reaching those territories. So just another, like I said, just another indicator of something. If again, just looking at something completely different, if you like. So it's really up to you on how you want to look at these things. But yeah, William, dude, thank you so much for gifting. Let me move this down right here. Thanks so much for gifting 5 memberships to the A team, dude. If William gifted you a membership, please say thank you to William and welcome those new 5 people to the A team. Thank you very, very much, man, for that donation. Yeah, definitely, Gino. Liquidity plays a big factor. I mean, into how people actually exit their positions. So yeah, I would say that liquidity is probably one of the bigger things out here. Here's what they were talking about. Oh, where was it at? Oh, I wanted to show this, dude. I forgot to show you. Look at the inflows right now. 1 day inflows. I was going to show this to you guys. Look at how much Bitcoin ETF inflows happened yesterday. Look at that, dude. That's insane. BlackRock had 318 Bitcoin. Fidelity had 4,625 plus. Dude, that's insane. Over this last 7 days, there's been a lot. So, it's funny. Ethereum's been going down. They've been selling their positions in Ethereum, and it's been accumulating over here in Bitcoin. Let me get my head out of the way here. Pretty crazy when you start looking at this, like how much the inflows were. Net flow was plus 14,000 for Ethereum, or 48 million, and then plus 7,000 Bitcoin, which is roughly 703 million, was net flow. So inflow was about $44,629. That's pretty freaking nuts, dude. Just Fidelity alone. Gosh, dang. But yeah, watch these. It's a good place to watch these ETFs. These ETFs this is where eventually XRP is going to be. We're going to be able to view XRP inflow and outflows as well. So that's kind of a positive thing as well. Yeah, I can't wait till that day comes. That's going to be badass. Z goal scorer. Thanks so much for the $2, dude. A team is blessed to have you and fan. I appreciate you, man. I'm blessed to have you guys to always hold down the chats and the Discord and everything else. So thank you. Take out a loan at the bottom of the market and ask you to change back at the end of the loan. Yeah, right. Brian, hey Austin, how do you see or keep track of the profits on Coinbase? I want to take profits and put back in, but only says unrealized returns. Yeah, you're gonna have to do your own math, man. Sometimes you gotta do your own math, Brian. And just it's a psychological thing, is really what it is. Just more of a psychological hurdle. I was a day early on the crypto ball. It's tomorrow, the 17th at 8 p.m. in DC. Oh shit! All right, all right. Tomorrow, so Saturday or Friday? Friday. All right, we just hit the top of the hour here. You can see we ended the hour coming on a downward for XRP or for H bar. Let's see what XRP looked like. We're on a three hour downturn here. We had a doji, a little doji candle right there. So we'll see what the next hour brings. We're on a little bit of a decline here, but nothing we haven't seen before. I mean, we had a nice little 3 hour decline right here before we bounced back, but we were also at the bottom of the thing here. So let's actually look at the 4 hour now. 4 hours still looking pretty good. We're still over purchased at this point based off the chart. The 12 hours showing us that we're over purchased, making a little downward here. So it'll be interesting to see. This could be the top. Maybe. Like I said, I don't know. Seems to be 340 seems to have hit a wall here. Let's look at the depth chart on 340. 340 is not that big of a wall anymore. It's 350 now, but yeah, 350 is kind of where it's at. 350, 340 is not that much. Like half a million. That's not that much on Coinbase, to be honest with you. But it does look like we're going down to 32 now. Bitcoin's still hovering, trying to breach that 100,000 marker, which kind of is crazy. In case no one is paying attention, H bar will rule them all. Oh man, Cocore coming in hot. And Z Score, thanks so much for the donation to the channel, man. Sorry I missed the last couple of streams. Seems a good day to fatten up a bag. Yeah, Jason, it's good to see you, man. It's all good. Appreciate you being here, man. In 2025, and people still don't know how to use. I mean, sometimes there's some things where I struggle. I mean, sometimes I struggle with some tech. Dude, just trying to get my freaking Discord was a pain in my ass sometimes, dude. There's no action today. Well, yeah, we'll see. Training clean. We'll see. You view Ondo? I did. Well, Ondo's down a little bit right now. Again, continue to monitor this. Ondo, obviously, they released their tokens coming on Saturday, so this will be. I'm definitely gonna be watching Ondo's reaction to see how that whole thing reacts to the markets. So it'll be very, very interesting to see how it reacts. Let's see here. Robinhood 0.7% and buys 0.7. That's not too bad. The more decentralized they claim crypto is, the more centralized and regulated it will become. If you don't understand this, then you will only make money getting lucky, not reading the times. Justice for all. Yeah, I'd like to think that I'd like things to stay decentralized as much as possible. Yeah, for sure. I am glad they don't talk about it much. I made a huge mistake thinking the XRP would fall more and retest the 220 zone, so I took profits. Big mistake. It's okay, man. Like I said, I have put an aggressive trade in at 225, and I missed that one too. But it's hindsight. Yeah, hindsight's 2020. But now it's just trying to find the next retracement, find a good entry, and off to the races we go again. You know what I mean? I voted for a convicted felon who is out on bail for $200,000. The man I voted for who was found. Oh, that's funny. That's great. Hey, man, like do you, Em? That's great. That's good. You're not the only person. You're getting. There's 77 million people who voted for the same thing you did. America has spoke. Some people don't agree with it, but I mean, a lot of them, he did. The majority did. Indeed, great statement. Yeah, selling the news only applies when you think the news doesn't meet the expectation. I think we'll exceed expectations. Yeah, I mean, Trump coming in office is like a big exceed expectations. Well, I appreciate you renewing, Big B. Thank you so much. Been trying to figure out how to use the Rainbow RSI. That is on the bottom. Yeah, just type in. Just go to right here. Right here, you see that one? Here, I'll Oops, I put different colors in. I clicked on it. I was trying to copy it. That did not work. So yeah, there it is. Take a screenshot of that. Are we gonna see it come back down? I mean, you always will see it come back down to some extent. It's just a matter of how far it comes down before it bounces back up. What are the benefits of joining Discord? Can't find anything about it. I could let the A team. I mean, you got a lot of people in the chat here who are part of the Discord. Maybe I'll let them, fill in for you how much they like it or don't like it. I guess. How much did you buy 10 years ago? Well, I wasn't in crypto 10 years ago. Um, I I bought when we're talking about XRP, I bought XRP about 3 years ago, and I bought it at 30 cents. Are we going to come back down? Potentially, yeah. ETH is in the red today. Yeah, Bitcoin's coming down too right now. Hi from Denmark. Could XRP be reduced or burned? I mean, there's a little tiny burn mechanism with it, but it's nothing crazy. It's just enough for like to make sure the network's secure and stuff like that. So, yeah, it's nothing like insane, but there is a little bit of a burn mechanism attached to it for sure. So, yeah, there definitely is one of those for sure. Let's see here. Oops. Let's see here. Never take on debt. Be smarter. Yeah, I try not to take on any debt whatsoever. Do the returns of your retirement fund ETFs slow during the bear cycle? Yes, they will. They'll probably slow for sure. Trent, thanks so much for the $5, bro. Austin, is there a good way to trade XRP memes without Telegram? Yeah, you could use it on who was using it? Tim was telling me to use it. Well, Killa Whale was using it on what is the was it Zoom or the Xammon wallet or whatever it was? I can't ever say it. It used to be Zoom, but I think it's called like the and wallet. Yeah, they were using the this wallet right here. Which is again the leading for XRP ledger. So it's the Salmon wallet. This used to be the Zoom wallet, the XUM, whatever it was, but this is where they were saying they were buying the meme coins on, dude. But promoted by Crypto Mason, but both sure. Yeah, the Telegram one sucks, bro. It's so clunky. The first ledger is it's horrible, bro. But yeah, I think they were trading on this right here. So let me know if that works or not. I don't know. I was referring to people at work not being able to use tech. Oh, I get what you're saying. I was like, dude, I struggle with tech, Chameleon. Ethereum and BTC chart is at an all-time low, and ETH hasn't gone. And dude, it's crazy, Roland, how ETH is just kind of. Yeah, I think ETH will do well. I mean, I think ETH is going to do good. I think any altcoin is going to continue to rally nicely for sure. Every time I'm able to join the stream, we're breaking highs pattern, perhaps. Yeah, keep joining those streams, Neo. Please keep joining the streams. Again, appreciate you being here. That's funny. Let's see here. XLM flagging. Yeah, XLM's good too. Don't get me wrong. XLM's looking pretty solid right here. Yeah, it's looking pretty good as well. Yeah, see, every time you think XRP is going to go down, it rises right back up to the occasion, dude. So never count XRP out. But America spoke. That's the difference. Yeah, I would agree with that. Tyler, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member again. You're officially now a member of the channel. I wish I could see who if you've been one before or not. That's the kind of I hate that it doesn't show me. But appreciate you, man. Golf and Rob, thanks so much for joining the A team again. Appreciate that a ton, man. Thank you very, very much. Thoughts on Turbo? I mean, it's just a meme coin. I don't really have too many thoughts on it. You guys are funny, man. Do a Discord, you learn. We're family. Dude, that's awesome. Kelvin, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. I do appreciate that, man. Austin, I have some ETH. When I can change my ETH for XRP, you could do it anytime you want, really. That's the best part about conversions. You can convert anytime. A-bot and Discord is still mad at me. No, you'll be able to see it'll reflect to the price of what you put it in there. It's just an interface for the blockchain. So yeah, it'll always match the price. So I mean, if the price goes up, the price of your ledger will go up with it. You know what I mean? You'll be able to see your total value. Um, I'm kind of waiting for a pullback. Like I said, it's kind of gone. The pullback keeps resisting against my pullback needs. So I will admit that every time I'm anticipating a pullback for XRP, it exceeds my expectations of a pullback. Again, I'm all for it continually rising, right? I'm totally for that. I mean, hey, dude, if we can keep going, sounds good to me. But we know that there needs to be a pullback to create some healthiness in the market. We need to create new entries for people. That's the thing is this keeps rising. You have people going, well, I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait. I'm not the only person. It's like, I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait. You want there to be a little bit of some pullbacks, whether it's here at the 320 marker or the 312 marker or whatever, to create entry points for people to start buying back in. That's kind of what you want. Getting ready to sell a house and we'll put 275K into XRP. Gosh, dang. Ideas on crypto assets to put kids' birthdays money in for 10 years. I mean, I guess any of the top ones you're probably good at. Aikisha, what's going on, dude? So we just gonna ignore Litecoin? Yeah, Litecoin. Didn't they just get? It's good to see Aikisha. Litecoin actually just got an ETF. I saw that. Right? Where was that at? I saw that they got an ETF now for Litecoin. Where was that? But yeah, Litecoin's there, man. It's still one of those OG cryptos out there. LTC. Anders, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team, dude. Appreciate that. Welcome to the channel, man. Thank you very much. Top price of XRP. Well, I mean, the top price for XRP is 384. That's all-time high. 384. All-time high for XRP. So J Moss, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the A team as well. Thank you very much, man. Was gifted a membership last month, renewed today. Hell yeah, Toolbox. Appreciate you, man. Holding it down, dude. Bryce Bicker can convert to ISO in 2022. Really? Is that what their goal is? Small descending wedge since this morning. Hopefully a breakout to the upside. Well, we have a lot of people here who like Quant and XCN. I don't hold either of them, but we have a lot of people on the A team that do. And we've got Trent, who's the biggest Quant guy, and we got a lot of people here who like XCN. So can't be too upset about that. You see Brad's tweet, Austin. Yeah, we were just looking at it, dude. We're just looking at it right here. Finally embracing with the largest capital markets finally embracing crypto on talk of crypto strategic reserves. I suspect rather imminent U.S. regulatory clarity, a step function change and adoption is closer than you think. Like, that's fantastic, dude. If that doesn't get you bullish, I don't know what will. That's badass. Yeah, we're just looking at that. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff right there. For anyone trying to connect YouTube with Discord, you keep having to fail to connect issues, then do it on your computer instead of on mobile phone. It worked for me. Oh, okay, cool, Boomer. That's good. That's good advice. I appreciate that, man. Thank you. I agree. I appreciate that. Agree Viking, and they already bought in under $1 and use RLUSD. XCN, yes. I just dropped 4K in XRP. Oh man, get it. What price did you get it at the top? Would you get it at like 35, 230, 335? Adjusting my buy order every day because this FOMO don't go down. I'm with you. I'm with you on that. When you store on a ledger, does it lock that price into the market cap, or how does that work? It's just an interface. So you're just buying it and you're moving it onto the blockchain. That's all you're doing. You're moving it from a centralized exchange onto the blockchain, whatever that blockchain is, whether it's Ethereum, whatever it is. And that's sort of how you do it. It's just an interface. You're not moving it onto here or anything like that. It's just the keys to the blockchain. About 343 with my 1K at 229. Okay. All right, Jay. Will you still day trade with the market moving, or will you wait for it to get more Wait for it to get more predictable. Yeah, you want to wait for it to get more predictable, dude. Like I want to try to enter at when it's more predictable. Like this is unpredictable. No one's. I mean, like this said right here. I mean, it's an epic breakout. It is an epic breakout. This is an anomaly. This shouldn't have happened. Like I mean, technically, I mean, we all knew it was going to happen to some degree, but it didn't follow the market. I mean, look at 44%. That's a breakout, dude. ETH is at 2. Bitcoin's at 7. I mean, BNB's at 3. Like all these top cryptos, 8 for Avalanche. I mean, Tron's down 1%. So it's like, Dogecoin's up 20, which is, that's fine. Cardano's up 23, which is pretty good. You got Solana up, 13% in 7 days. So again, the market's going up, but for the most part, you have these anomalies out here, which is like 44% on the top 3 cryptos. Insane, dude. So like, yeah, it's just you can't predict. We knew it was going to go up in price, so that's why we're accumulating. That's why we're buying, because we know it's going to go up in price. We're anticipating it's going to go up in price, but for it to go boom 44% in 7 days is insane. And it's fantastic, right? I mean, we want that. We want that for sure. And again, XRP has shown a lot of resilience here at these prices. You know what I mean? This 35 marker, 34. So yeah, exactly. That's exactly it. Yeah. And you're gonna be able to see it on your Ledger Live on your phone. You'll be able to see it on Ledger Live. All good. Yeah, Big B. Well, to keep XRP, I keep it on Ledger. And if I'm trading it, day trading it, it's on an exchange. Yeah, no problem, Big B. I appreciate you being here, man. This breakout was nuts. Although always thought being patient was the smart move. Not this time with XRP or HBAR. Yeah, really. I mean, if you're new to crypto, it should be first. It should be accumulating. If you have money to put in there, side money to put in there, you should just be buying. When you have the opportunity to do so, to accumulate a bag in anticipation of a breakout, and then you go back in and you do some day trading. Right? That's really the best case scenario for you if you're new. With LTC comes Doge. It's co-mined. Yeah, you get rewarded in Doge. Oh, that is true. Rewarded in Doge. And then they have Dogecoin miners out there, which are just straight Doge. Yeah, good advice. Good advice, Milton. Direct from manufacturer, please. BOA is smart. They fully on board with General. Yeah, Bank of America had good earnings too. Austin would get uphold just for XDC if they tokenize derivatives. It's a multi-quadrillion market. I should probably just do it, right? Not financial advice. Do your own research. No, that's financial advice, Trent. Thank you. DC on down days. If you're new, trying to build good size bag, yeah, definitely want a DCA on red, not on green. Fan put an affiliate link in Discord last night. I used that link. Oh, cool, John. Yeah, I usually, like I said, I don't post. I do a bad job promoting, links and posting things and trying to sell people on stuff. Like I did. Yeah, I created an affiliate link just so people could click on the right link. Trying to find the right one. But yeah, I don't push that stuff too much. You know what I mean? Like, hey, make sure you click on the link down below and make sure you sign up for this exchange and do your spot trading over there so I can get paid. Just kidding. You anticipate a pullback, and I sold my XRP at 233. I missed out at 2,000 gains. I'm depressed. I mean, I'm sorry, dude. Like, you can look at a pullback at 230. Sold at 233. The pullback actually happened right here. I mean, the pullback was right here. We had a pullback right here at 230, at 233. You must have sold. Is that where you sold? Where did you sell your crypto at? Did you sell at the bottom of that? And again, the pullback was just for swing trading. Like, I mean, you're anticipating for the swing trade on the pullback. That's the thing, is that if you sold the whole bag, I mean, I'm sorry. I mean, I don't know what to say. Try not to sell your whole bag. I guess that's the only thing I can really tell you. or have a bag that you don't touch, and then swing trade on the side with other stuff so that you don't miss the opportunities like this. That's really kind of, I guess, really what I've been trying to say to a lot of people. Who the f would sell XRP with all the potential surrounding it? Yeah, I appreciate that, Big A. Yeah, I try to just tell you how I'm doing my stuff. Like I said, I don't really tell people how to do their stuff. You know what I mean? You guys have to. I just say what I'm doing, and again, I miss opportunities. I thought we were gonna have a pullback, for a nice little swing trade up. I missed it by this hit at 33 right here. I was hoping it would come back down to 25. Missed it by 5 cents. It happens. But can't let that affect your long term hold. No, hot wallets are good, dude. I mean, I like hot wallets, Ashton. They're better than exchanges. They just don't be like, downloading links, and don't be clicking on links, and don't be, scanning QR codes. So it's like, yeah, definitely go long. It's always safer for sure. Yeah, definitely go long. But yeah, I mean, I use MetaMask all the time, dude. MetaMask, SafePal. I use all those all the time. If you move XRP for multiple exchanges at different purchase prices into one wallet, would that affect the average price of your profits? Yeah, probably would. It would just basically take all it would just average it out. So I mean, if you moved over, you know, you'd have to just average out your tokens. That's really what it come down to. You probably have to do the math in your head. 330 is still the dip. It's kind of, I mean, yeah, we're like, if we look at let's look at the 4 hour, you know, yeah, I mean, you're still here at this anywhere from 330 to 321. You're down here at this 315 marker, and then the next one is in the green. This is like where you want to be if you're going to accumulate a dip. You kind of want to be in this, 270, 278 to 269 to, somewhere in this ballpark. And then right here at 250 is right in the middle. Look at that, dude. Right in the middle of that. 250 is right in the middle of this good old golden pocket right there. So, yeah, pretty crazy when you start to think about that. What do you consider a hot wallet? Yeah, MetaMask, SafePal, anything like this right here. You got MetaMask, a software wallet, non-custodial wallet. Yeah, Hashpack for Hbar, Trust Wallet is great. I'm not a big fan of Trust Wallet. It's a little clunky for me. I'm more of a SafePal and MetaMask guy. Appreciate you, Paradise. Thank you so much. Yeah, for saying that. Austin, when Brad and Stewart had dinner with Trump, they ate beef bourguignon, which, if you look it up, is very special and a symbolic to closing a significant contract. Really? I did not know that. Well, maybe they signed a significant contract that we don't know of. Question is stupid. That's go for a long. Are we good to stick with MetaMask? I like MetaMask. Yeah, MetaMask is good. I mean, XRP, like I said, I think SafePal right now is pretty good for. You can download SafePal. It's pretty good. I mean, it has a lot of good positive things about it. It is kind of clunky sometimes to trade like on Uniswap, but yeah, SafePal wallet's pretty good, and I think it actually holds XRP. Let's see. Yeah, it holds XRP. So yeah, it's a pretty good wallet. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, Tangent. People like Tangent. A lot of people like Tangent wallet. If you move XRP from multiple exchanges at different purchase prices, yeah, I already read that. Austin, get your soccer ball and hit the pitch so we can hit $4, right? Right, Parker? When I go, yeah, let me go to practice real quick. 2 weeks in the year, and I want to just cry. 16K losses and 50K down from top of my portfolio. What the hell did you do, Justin? What did you do, bro? Did you leverage too hard on that? Gosh damn, dude. Justin. What's up, Hawaii Rider? American beef every day. It's not something special to us. It's just what's for dinner. Yeah, I mean, I eat steak a lot. Yeah, I'd agree with that. Hit that like. Appreciate you, Paradise. Nasty Dasty, thanks so much for becoming a new member of the channel. You're officially now a member of the A team. Welcome to the channel, man. What does it mean to go for a long? Oh, like you're putting in you're long in the market, meaning that you think that the market's going to go up in price. And if you think the market's going to go down in price, you short the market. So a long and a short. You can do that. It's on the derivative side. So if you go over to like Coinbase, you go on the derivatives and you can put in it's margin trading. You'll go, oops. Like right now, if I wanted to, you could put a long in. Let's go back out of here. We go to the side. So yeah, you go over and you could say that I think XRP is going to go up to X price. So yeah, you go over to the derivative side. You'll say, okay, I think I'm going to long XLM. You'll say buy. You'll say buy/long. You'll buy how many contracts you want to purchase, what the leverage is on those, and then that's how you do it on Coinbase at least. So. There's a fee to move crypto from a wallet to wallet, but very minimal, like cents. Yeah, it is cents on the dollar. It costs a little bit more to move it from a exchange over. So yeah, look at XRP. XRP is coming back up in price right now. 337 went down to 333. So pretty crazy. How resilient XRP is. I mean, look at that, dude. It's coming back up now on the hour chart right here. 2 down, 1 up. Two down, 2 up, 2 down. Maybe we got 2 up right now. So maybe we break through this 340 now. You know what I mean? Have a good opportunity to break through the 340 would be nice. We can go look at the depth chart again. Oops, I just got rid of the depth chart. Let's go back to Coinbase. Yeah, you can see right here 340s right here. There's not that big of a wall. It's at the 350 where there's a pretty big wall. We're talking almost what? A million at a wall right there. It's not too bad. I'm crying that I sold my swing bag just before this major run. Are you still holding, Patrick? Are you still holding a main bag though? Like, do you have like a main bag you've been holding? Looking ready for another move. Yeah. Broke the wedge at the 344. All right. Yeah, it's coming up good now. Hbar is looking pretty good right now too. Look at that. Coming back up, hitting it back up here above. We got back to 375. So yeah, it's looking pretty good too. My XRP profit target, I haven't put a profit target in. We're just gonna ride it, dude, till the wheels fall off. That's my anticipation. Ride it till the wheels fall off. Not much. 10K. That's still a good price though, dude. That's still good. 10K is a good number. I mean, you're up like 4K right now. Yeah, that's pretty good. Bro, how much is the next big wall and where's it sitting? Yeah, next big wall is sitting right here at the 350, really. 350 is a big wall. You got a decent wall here at 345 and 340. So the 340 wall seems to be a hard one to get over for XRP. It seems like XRP is struggling with that one for some reason. You see that's the top right there. Struggling to get above that. Definitely hit some resistance there. My average is like 35, dude. 35 cents is my average, I think, throughout time. Majority of my bag I bought back at 30 cents. And then I did buy in the 40 in the 50 cent mark. But yeah, majority of my bag was bought at the 30 marker. So I think I'm like 35 cents if I went back into my math. What's scary to me if I've ever had 65% of my portfolio in one thing I'd have now with XRP. Yeah, me too. Dude, I just take a few thousand. I have 15K to invest waiting for entry. I think a lot of us have some money waiting on the side. I got some dry powder. I'm waiting for some entry points too, man. if you're new into crypto, just remember the ship will sink at the end of the year and we'll go into another bear market. I'm just hoping maybe we have a super cycle, maybe like they said, the economy comes around and we have a really strong economy and it does really well. I mean, that's what I'm kind of hoping for. Yeah, XRP is dude, I freaking love XRP right now. The resiliency of XRP is, as I wish every single crypto should take note. Dude, we're right here with XRP with the H bar too. H bar continues to rise up now too. 3.5. All right, maybe we're gonna have a little shift in the market right now. Maybe there's some wind in the sails. I don't think people are ready for what's to come. It's gonna be a ride, man. 42 here if you don't count the swings. That's good. That's good. Yeah, don't count the swings. Just count that bag. Yeah, I don't count my swings. Psychology play a part. 325 new 225. Yeah, that probably could play a part. Yeah, you could probably think of that. Original Marts, thanks so much for being a member for 1 month. Had an order for 204, missed it by half a penny. Oh man, dude, that's tough, dude. I feel you. I missed one of those by like 7th 100th of a penny. I know what you're talking about. Had around 43K units at around 35 cents. Also sold about 24K units to pay for my wedding. Oh man, Simon, my wife doesn't like it when I bring that subject up. You're like, you don't even talk about it now. That's crazy though, dude. 24K. Yeah, you sold a mint just for the wedding. That's good. Hey man, you got some good memories with this. You can't be too upset. What made you bullish on XRP when you bought in for 30 cents? Just people, we were just talking about in the chat, Digital Orgy was pushing on it for a long time, where a lot of people in the chat were really big into ISOs. And I started to do my research into ISOs and what they would do. And I mean, XRP is exactly that. So I said, screw it. I put out a video for members only on my first video talking about, not my first video, but it was my video talking about how I bought at 30 cents. And it was back in 2022. I bought at 30 cents. And I said I was gonna wait for a 10x on it, which would be $3. And that was kind of like, that was my big sell point, was if it broke $3, I was going to sell for a 10x. And I'm not. I mean, that was 3 years ago, right? So you're obviously like, if it gets a 10x, I'm selling it. And now that we're here and I'm at a 10x, I'm like, there's no way I'm selling this thing. That's literally how it played out. Like there's just no way. There's no reason to at this moment. But 3 years ago, it's a different story. I got 30K. Should I have not put it all in XRP? Yeah, that's a lot of money to put it right now, but to each your own. I expect a big sink in 2026, 2027. You think so, Trent? 2020? Okay. Yeah, they're stuck right here, but I mean, it's doing pretty good right now. I gotta hand it to them, dude. H bar is about to break into the 376. On the verge of breaking into the 376 right now. I gotta get rid of this. I don't know if I like the red on this. Sorry, I got to get rid of the red. The red bugs me a little bit. Wasn't 340 for 2018. It was no, 2018 was the height of it. Are you talking about all-time high? All-time high is 384 back on January 3rd of 2018. $3.84. Yeah, they were just broke it. H bar just broke the 376. 376. There we go. 376. That's pretty badass. XRP trying to break that 338 again. It's always going to dip, but when you're in the last year of the cycle, you buy all the dips. True. I think there's a lot of entry points here, for let's stay here. I think there's a lot of good entry points here. I mean, you got this is a big fair value gap right here. And then, another one. I want to try to get it in the green zone here, which again just has a better opportunity for a good price and a good trade. So anywhere between 250, 260, and 275. But again, we'll have to sort of see it. So we have to see if this top is a top first before we start to see a downtrend. So it'll be interesting. But once there starts to, I do believe that if there's starts to be a sell-off, I guarantee you that sell-off's going to come quick because there's not a lot of volume holding up this candle right here. So this could come down, like I said, pretty hot. I just don't know how far it's going to go. 348 was the old Coinbase all-time high. Gotcha. Interesting. Yeah, that's funny. Yeah, I was just looking at here. It says I've always gone off of the 384 right here. You go right up here. It's hard to get in there, but there's probably a wick on that one. So yeah, I kind of just went for it. Bitcoin back above 100,000. Bitcoin's coming back around now. Back above 100,000 for Bitcoin. There we go. There we go. Markets are maybe turning around. Fridays have always been a pretty good day. Fridays have actually been a pretty decent day for the most part. When it comes to crypto, we know the weekends have actually been pretty decent to us. Fridays usually are pretty solid as well. Let me get rid of these little things I did for the bull flags here. So the weekend's actually been pretty good for us. So coming into the weekend could be good. We have Inauguration Day 4 days away. It's so hard to say. The coulda, woulda, shoulda, the shoulda, coulda, wouldas are it's a tough one, man. Brandon Worley, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Need advice on exit strategy, Austin? You could. I think really just comes down to setting your you could DCA out of a position. As much as you can DCA into a position, you can DCA your way out of a position too. It's really up to you. Why can't Shibburn have their supply? That would be wild, right? Come on, 341. Yeah. Sitting at 337 right now. But people are making some pretty good turns right here, man. This went down to 331 on about an hour ago, right? 331, 332, and now it's bounced back up to 338. So people are making some good little swing trades right now. Can you put what wallet you use the ledger? Oh yeah, I could do that real quick. You want me to give you my ledger? Is that what you're asking me to give you the ledger? I could give you my ledger. Tell you the truth, I don't know where I'd put my ledger. You think I'd be better about where I would you'd think I'd be better about posting my ledger in these chats, but I really suck at posting links for affiliation links. I think there might be one in the Discord though, if I remember. Oh, here we go. I'll put this in the chat right now so you guys have it. Here's my ledger link if you want to use that. It's up to you. But that's the ledger. Yeah, I use the Nano X. Nano X is probably the best one to use. I just prefer it. It's old school, but I like it. So Alchemist, what's going on, man? XRP cult member, what's going on, dude? XRP is the BTC red flag, April 2021 through is the BTC red flag. Did someone say SHIB? Someone did say SHIB. Did you get your treat, Adam? Today's high is some days floor. Yeah, right. Could be the floor. Man, look at Hbar go, bro. Hbar at 3778. Dude, Hbar is climbing. We might break 38. Holy crap, dude. Hbar is rising right now, guys. Holy shit. I gotta look at my wallet. Oh my god. Freaking love it, dude. 378, 379, dude. We're about to break 38 right now. We're gonna break 38 on Hbar. Wow, dude. Wow. I'm so glad that a lot of people got in on Hbar when we did. 38. There we go. We just broke 38, guys. Yes. 38 has officially been broken on Hbar. We just now we got to get up here to the 39. 39 is where we can establish a breakout on Hbar. So yeah, kudos to everyone holding Hbar right now, guys. Wow. Who would have thought? I got the X. Mama. I'm not swing trading, so all my bags are long term. There you go. You can do that too, right? I'm happy, but still nowhere near what I should be. I'm with you, Trent. So glad I sold ETH for $800 loss and stuffed into Hbar at 30 just before this massive pump, dude. That's awesome. Yeah, you're sitting pretty good right now. Sell half at least. What about Solana? Solana's good, dude. 900 viewers and only 450 likes. Come on, folks. Austin's advice during these epic times is free. I appreciate you, Benny. Thanks so much, man. Dollar cost averaging out of a position. So like you just, so you don't sell your whole bag, you'll say, okay, well, I think, because you're never going to time the top. So you could start selling when you think it's the top, you'll sell 25% of your bag. And then if it continues to go down, you sell another 25% of your bag, or you sell 10% of your bag, right? So you just say a percentage of what you're going to sell and sell it at different times on your way, so that if it does come back, you haven't sold your whole bag. So there's a lot of ways for exit strategies, and that's just one of them. So you would, dollar cost average out of a bag just as much as you dollar cost average into a bag. How about selling now and buying again if it goes down? I mean, there's a lot of people that do that, Mohammed or Mohammed. There's a lot of people that do that. Austin, if I can buy my Uphold wallet and Coinbase wallet, do I keep the lesser price? You'll just average them out. So let's just say you bought 10,000. You bought 10,000 at 25 cents and you bought 10,000 at 30 cents. You're just going to take those 20, you're going to add up the prices, divide by 2. So you're going to add up, 30 and 25, you're going to have 27 and a half. So you're going to take those and they're going to be worth 27 and a half. So like you're just going to average out your prices. Austin on the mic, smash that like. Parker, thanks, man. Damn, dude. 2.8, We're gonna I feel we're gonna get to the 3.9, dude. I feel like we could get to the 3.9 and break out of this. We have a potential breakout. Oh man. Here we go, baby. Heck yeah, I was not expecting Hbar to do this. 3.843. Damn. All right. Look at that nice little hourly candle right there. I just downloaded SafePal wallet. Oh my god, the UI is beautiful. Everything is on point. Yeah, dude, SafePal is legit, bro. All the dApps and everything. It's really easy to use. 3.844, dude. Holy crap. Bro, hold on. It seems to me that the horses are already getting their act together. He rises in the beginning. I agree. Don't sell. Banks will be running on Ripple. Yeah, Corey, I'm with you. Oh, that's smart, Austin. Yeah. You're the best. No problem, mama. Trent, I'm holding the line. Solana is done. Even Raul Paul said. Yeah. Well, I mean, you're gonna take your profit. You have your profits and losses. So yeah, this is trying to get above that level right here. Let's look at the depth chart here for Hbar real quick. Let's see where Hbar is for depth. Yeah, pretty good wall here at the 385. Yeah, 385 is a pretty decent level. Yeah, basically 385 right here, 386. Look at the sell wall right here at freaking look at the sell wall at 40 cents. That's a freaking $8 million sell wall. Gosh dang, dude. That is the biggest damn sell wall I've ever seen in my life. Dude, that's literally 16 million up here. 16 million, dude. From anywhere from 8 to 16 million on the sell wall. Gosh dang. They are not playing around, dude. They're not playing around on that sell wall right there. Holy crap. Oh, thanks. I've done that before. Actually, scalping. Did not realize I was doing the DCA on. No, you're good, Tony. I'm so mad right now. I sold my Hbar at 31. Oh man, if you were selling now and buying back when it comes down, just get on a trade platform. Yeah, dude. Robinhood randomly closed my account for suspicious activity for absolutely no reason. They didn't. Gosh, really? They closed your account like that? It just like kicked you out. See, that's what I'm talking about. Centralization's crap. I think XRP will come back down to $3. Don't you think so? We'll see. We'll have to keep on, dude. XRP's been so resilient. It's hard to say that. Ripple. Right here. Intuition trusted by institutions, stability shaped by experience. Meet USD Ripple. Okay, let's click on it. Let's take a look. So they just put out their real-time payment and easy fiat to stablecoin on and off ramp. Sweet, dude. Sweet. We've already seen that. That's cool. They got this out there. So yeah, kudos to them. Yeah, that's good. That's good stuff right there. Meet Ripple. Stability shaped by experience. 39. Yeah, 39 cent sell wall. It's pretty wild. That's a huge sell wall too. That is a sell wall like none other right there. Gosh dang. Yeah, I can see why this got rejected here, right? You can see this rejection right here is hard. Unfortunately, my new job doesn't pay me until Trump's already in. I was going to load up. I have to wait for a dip. Oh man, I put everything I make into crypto. Dang hogs. I didn't know that. I didn't know that you had to wait till that. Um, would you agree to hold until inauguration day? Yeah, I probably. I mean, if you're holding just a bag, like if you're not swing trading and stuff like that, and you're just holding, yeah, I mean, there would be no reason not to. Again, the only reason I'm buying and selling, I'm just trying to find entry points for a swing trade. That's the only reason I mean, I got my bag on the side. It's going to stay there. I'm not touching it. We're going to ride it all up. The entry points that I'm putting aggressive entry points in just for a legit swing trade. That's all it is. So, again, don't be following me if like it's your only bag. If you're only, say you have $1,000 and you're buying and you're selling and you're buying and you're selling, and you're missing these pumps. It's because that's what happens when you swing trade. You don't get them all. I've told you guys, you're going to take some L's trying to find entry points into markets for a good swing trade. I don't hit them all the time. But that's why having a bag that you could just accumulate, you don't lose, man. You'll win every time. You'll, like right now, if you don't have an Hbar bag you've been following me for the last month and a half, and you've been swing trading and you haven't established a bag, like you should have established a bag, then went to swing trading so that you could ride this up and prosper from that as well. Like that's really the whole goal in crypto. The Michael Saylor strategy is a real strategy. And good moment to buy or wait. Yeah, it's really up to you. I was talking about the rainbow additive RSI Lux algo for why I said Hbar. Oh, yeah. I don't use that one, dude. Bring on the Trump pump. Stopped buying Xrp at 43, then started continuing stacking Hbar. Nice, dude, at 5 cents. Yeah, Hbar is killing it right now, dude. So you're making pretty good money. What will Hbar hit tonight? Good question. I don't know. For anyone that isn't a member, it's only $1.99 to join Austin's Discord. I appreciate you, James. You still want to make trades? Get on your bank account. Yeah. That sell wall looks like a rock formation. Why they can't hold? Oh, look, the Grand Canyon. Take a picture. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm behind on the chat right now. Yeah, don't talk to the fake Austins. Can you explain the buy and sell charts again? Do it slow. Oh, you're talking like these right here. This is just a death. So people put in orders, right? So these are buy and sell orders. You got sell orders over here. So they're putting it in anticipation of a price. And you got your buy orders over here where people are putting in buy orders. So if it comes down to that price, they can buy up the chart, right? So it goes two ways. That's all this is. These are sells. These are buys. These are sell walls. So people have sell orders in here, meaning they're going to take profits. This is a big profit taking wall right here. People want to take price. If it hits this price of 40 cents, people want to take the profits, and there's a lot of people that want to take profits at that price. So just think of that like that. It's pretty simple. Pretty simple. Yeah, XRP is having a hard time determining what it is right here at the 1 hour chart. We got about 6 hours. Sorry, we have 6 minutes for this hour to turn over, and we're gonna have our first red. We're gonna have probably our first red candle. How this one turns out, we could have our first red candle on a 4 hour in the last 16 hours. So we'll see how this comes out here in about 4 minutes here. So 5 minutes now. Sorry. I don't know. Jerome, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you very much. Make sure you hit that. Make sure you get over to that Discord, bro. Let's see here. Don't short on your long trade. Yeah, don't short your long trades. That's why they're long, right? You go into them. You go into them for long. Flare moving up. Is Flare moving right now? Where's my Flare? Where's my Flare? Yeah, it's moving. It's moving slowly but surely, dude. Slowly but surely. So we're gonna have about 5 minutes. We'll be able to see where the candle goes. It's it's undecided right now. You can see it's a little doji candle right now. It's a little doji. So we'll see what this next 4 minutes does for this candle. James, thanks so much for the $2, dude. This is all my profits I made this morning, dude. Well, I appreciate it, man. You didn't have to do that. You're funny, dude. I again appreciate your $2 donation to the channel, dude. This is crypto, guys. Absolutely, this is crypto. This is what we came here for. I have $2K on Hbar at 100x leverage. Damn, bro. Hey, good luck to you, bro. Joey, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you and welcome, man. Possible correction after Trump inauguration. I don't know. Usually after inauguration, we go on a freaking crazy rally. So, it's hard to say, but every inauguration we've had, we've gone, boom, right out the gates. So, yeah, thank you, Parker. Yeah, for welcoming them. Not gonna lie, if banks could custody crypto, I would put some there. Yeah, that would be nice, right? I think if you don't buy before 5, you're cooked. It's almost guaranteed to go down when it hits that huge sell wall. Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna probably it'll bounce off it pretty hard. Dollar cost average. I heard a term. Yeah, so dollar cost average means that you're buying. So let's just say that you buy here at 334 and this price goes down to 322. You're buying again at 322 and it gives you then an average about 330. So your average price is now 330. So if you bought this up here, you buy it down here, you're averaging your cost out. So let's just say that you buy it up here at 335 and then it comes down here and you buy down here at let's just say 315. Now you've cut your average down back down here and you're in the 320s, so you offset your where you purchase stuff. So you dollar cost average your way into a position. So it's usually meant for people who have bought the top and are trying to work their way into a position without selling their position. How many different XRP wallets can be stored on the Nano X? I think it's just one wallet, but I mean I think you could pretty much download anything on there. Yeah, look at the resiliency of XRP at this one. Trying to stay green, dude. It's like really trying hard to stay green in this 1 hour. I mean, that's up to you, Ashley. Putting money in. It's really up to you. XRP is overheated and needs a pullback. It's definitely pretty damn high right now. That's for sure. Let's go back to the 4 hour here. I mean, you can see the 4 hours up here. If this comes in red, this will probably tick down a little bit. The 12's already starting to curve over a little bit for the 12, and we won't know until about 4 o'clock tonight what 12 hours is going to look like. So, and again, we haven't had a 12-hour green. We've had a almost 12, 24, 36, 48, 62, 7. Yeah, we've had almost 4 days in the green right here. So, I mean, that's pretty impressive. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 days in the green. That's pretty good. So about 1 minute until we see where this goes for the next chart here. So it's fighting that this red. It's fighting the red. Can XRP hit $6 by inauguration? That could be tough. You see the breaking news, Google the following under Yahoo Finance. Trump crypto. Yeah, I saw that this morning at MLG. I saw that this morning. All right, it should be a new candle forming here. See if we can fight off the bears. Come on, Poppy. Thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you and welcome, man. Welcome. Oh, there it goes. We ended our 3rd hour in a row, a little bit in the red right there. And we're starting this next candle in the red. Let's see with our 4 hour. That's our first 4 hour. We ended that 4 hour, starting the new 4 hour. So this is gonna be interesting to see how this next 4 hour goes. Start the new 4 hour candle. So the new 4 hour candle is gonna be interesting. It'll be our first. This could be our first red candle in the last 16 hours. So, well, start to monitor it a little bit. All right, it's time to monitor it. So, Carrie Underwood is singing his. Is she really? Did not know that. Jennifer, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you very, very much. And welcome to the A team. Here we go. Why is XLM 50 cents with $15 billion market cap? They just have a lot of coins. Stellar flipped Sui. Did Stellar flip it finally? Oh, it did. Yeah, it did. Oh, yeah. We saw that earlier. It's at 12. I was thinking, yeah, it did. It did. And Hedera's right there about to flip it too. So, it looks worse than it is. It's only 334. 334. Are you changing the entry points? I mean, yeah, you have to change some entry points. You gotta definitely 808 means you gotta change some points. It's gone pretty crazy right now. I got in at 264. Should I sell at 238 and buy back in it? Larkin, that's really up to you on how you feel, man. You know what I mean? If you feel that there's going to be a downturn, then yeah, you should, do what's best for you, man. B-Duck Coin, thanks so much for the 99-cent donation to the channel, man. Appreciate that. Daz Dizzle. Okay, all right. 332 look like dirt cheap for XRP after Trump is in the hot seat. Could be. Oh man, look at that. That was a big jump downward. Let's see what the 4 hour looks like. What was our last 4 hour sell off here? Let's see what our last 4 hour sell off was. Last 4 hour sell off was roughly about a 10% sell off, 7% sell off. So let's just say that we have another 7% sell off. That puts us right below this fair value gap right here. So it puts us down to the 315 marker, give or take. So we'll see if it breaks away or not. Every time you welcome a new member, I have watched you so much that my wife says your phrase with you. I don't know if that's a good thing or not. It's probably good. I try to keep it the same. I want to welcome everyone the same way. What is the all-time high looking like in the next month with Trump? I mean, I think that we're going to break through it for sure. I think we have good opportunities to break through with Trump in office. Yeah, I think we have good opportunities for sure. It's going to go down. You think it's going to go down? Yeah, we have the 4 hour. Starting the 4 hour right now, we're going to start to see it. It's gotten flat right here, so we'll see how that works. The 1 hour, it's coming down. We're on the 1 hour here, and again, the 12 hour, we won't see any movement until about 4 o'clock tonight, or 16. Yeah, until 4. Yeah, 4 p.m. So we'll see how that works. I'm so much more excited for the future of crypto. Oh, Jennifer, yeah, appreciate that, dude. Big drop starting. Yeah, maybe this could be our retracement, right? Maybe this is the retracement we're all looking for. Again, it's hard to judge when we haven't found a top. So until we find a top, then you can start adjusting your retracements. But we haven't really we haven't established a top of XRP yet. So again, you can see right here, here's the fair value gaps on the 4 hour. We are now dipping into a fair value gap here, which is anywhere from 330 down to 321. So we'll see if that fills. The next one down is 316. And then we don't hit another fair value gap on the 4 hour until we get down here into the twos. Again, ideally for retracement, if you're looking to enter in, you want to be anywhere between the 382 the 0.5, and the 618. This green area is kind of based off Fibonacci retracements. These are the best cases to win your next swing trade. Now you include the fair value gaps. If you could somehow get into these fair value gaps in here, you now increase the chances of bettering your trade as well for winning that trade. Now, if you dip down here into the golden pocket, which is around 250, again, you not only are you in the golden pocket, which is the sweet point with the Fibonacci retracements, you're also hitting a fair value gap in here as well. So again, you're getting aggressive. The further you go down on this chart, the more aggressive you get with the decline in the market. So just be aware of that. You know what I mean? And usually, like I said, when you go back and look at how we previously pulled the Fibonacci's and you can compare it to here, anytime we usually get between the 382, the 0.5, and the 618, we do pretty well inside here. So that's kind of where you want it to go. Like I said, will it? I don't know. Maybe it stops up here, or maybe it only goes to 315 and continues to build back out. I don't know. But the goal for me is I want to be back down in this range to be able to buy the dip. That's just me personally. And I'll probably wait until it gets down there. You should do what is best for you, and you should buy the levels that works for you. Don't buy levels that work for me. Okay. So we're in different boats and we're doing different things. I just want to make sure that everyone understands that. So my buying is somewhere down here, because if I miss this, I don't care if I miss any of this. I don't care if I miss the 315 or the 325. I don't care about that. I want big swing down for a big swing back up. That's what I live for. So that's what I want. And so I'm going to put my money in where I want to put it in. You put your money in where you think you should put your money in. Okay. Xavier, thanks so much for becoming a new member of the channel. You are officially now a member of the A team. Thank you very, very much. I switched that up. I just totally did that ass backwards because I think I had it on my brain. Thank you so much. Welcome to the A team. Appreciate you. Now you're a new member of the channel. Let's see here. I feel like starting another business now that Trump's coming back. I mean, yeah, that's kind of the way to do it, right? High hopes, dude. Thanks so much for becoming a member of the channel. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you very much, and welcome to the A team. Welcome, Hughes. Yeah, definitely welcome. Chameleon 259. Yeah, thanks for joining, Xavier. And thanks for is that high hopes right there? Yeah, high hopes. Thanks so much for both of you. Did I say Xavier? Yeah, Xavier. Thank you so much for becoming a member. I think I said thank you so much for becoming a member. And thank you, man. Appreciate that. We had Matthew coming in hot. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for becoming a member of the channel. You're officially now a member of the A team. Thank you very much. Welcome. Yes. All right. Cool. Welcome new members to the A team. Yeah, we're building up the A team, man. We're getting bigger and bigger every day, man. And I appreciate that a ton. I think we're roughly at. I haven't looked at our memberships in quite some time. Where we're at. We're roughly at. I think we had a couple. Obviously we had a lot of people that were gifted memberships. I think that we're roughly at. Let me look here. We're roughly at 1,915. So a lot of other people that were gifted memberships haven't renewed, and that's totally okay. But 1,915 A team members. Pretty excited about that. I gotta admit. Yeah, it's dropping right now. Rejection, consolidation, explosion. It's healthy. The problem is most people don't have the premium CB, so the fees will eat their profits. It's better just to stack your bags. That's a good way of looking at it. Yeah, 290 is a good limit price. There you go. When do you think H bar will hit 50 cents? I'm hoping sooner rather than later, buddy. But again, XRP is guys, just realize that XRP continues to be really resilient. I mean, you can see it came down, went halfway into this fair value gap, and has already pulled back to the top of this fair value gap. So again, people are trading in on this all day long. What's your entry point you think to buy it again? Mine is I'm going to wait for it to come back into. I'll wait for it to come back into here. It should, like I said, I don't know if it will or not. I mean, this could continue to rise. But before I enter into it, I mean, again, I'm waiting for a pullback that is I'm more for the W's than the L's. So I want to make sure when I buy in, I buy in at a good price. So yeah, I'm looking probably down in this green area right here. Anywhere in between. H-bar is going to space, literally NASA. I know, right? Yeah, it definitely is. And so far, it's coming back up to the 318. You can see right here, it's going to put to the 38-cent marker again, 0.38. We'll see if we can actually test this again, which would be nice, right? It'd be nice for us to test this. Let's go to the 1 hour here. Slowly climb back up right here, 318. See if we can get back up there. Pump it. You have to be a paid, you have to be a paid member to get into the Discord. That is true. Thanks, Kokor. Austin, who did you have the bet with for XRP price and that it was the level and the deadline? I don't remember who. I don't remember what it was and who it was. I remember I made the deal, but I don't remember what it was. Austin, come to England and we'll put you up in our inn. Great pub downstairs. Oh, really, Xander? That'd be badass. I'd love that. I'd love that, dude. Austin, come. Yeah, that'd be great. What's your opinion on holding some? I don't know enough about it, Kelvin. That would be nice. Sold some before the dip. All right, nice. Recommended platform for first-time buyers looking to go 100K on XRP today. Probably. I mean, if I had to do it, it'd probably be on Coinbase, dude. I'm a big Coinbase guy, Xavier. And it's the only. Like I said, there's only 2 exchanges in Washington that we can use, and that's Coinbase and Crypto.com that I trust fully. Trust in terms of like buying and moving my stuff off. You did a screenshot. That's true. I appreciate it. Hey, Moomster, 1 month in. I did probably do a screenshot. Let's see. Let's go to the desktop then. I probably did take a screenshot here. Let's see. I have a lot of screenshots. Holy crap. Why do I have so many screenshots? Let's see. Screenshot. Let's see. That's not it. That's not it. That's not it. You're right. I did take a screenshot though, didn't I? That's a good question. That's a good. Oh yeah, right here. That's not it. Dude, that's so funny. I want to find the screenshot now, dude. Now that you say that, I thought I took a screenshot of it too. I'm like, yeah, I think I remember taking a screenshot of that. Crap, I'm gonna have to go through. I'll have to dig in now. I'll have to find the screenshot. I can't seem to find it. I took too many screenshots. But yeah, you're right. I think I did. I think you're right. I'll come to England only if I can stay in a hostel just like the movie. No, cool cat. That is we should have an A-team meetup somewhere tropical where we're rich. I'm with you, Corey. I'll do that. Eric, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A-team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you very much and welcome, my bud. Welcome. Is it too late to buy H-bar? I mean, I don't think it's too late. I mean, if you're trying to accumulate, I mean, just getting your toes wet's good. I mean, it's on a nice green candle right now. So again, my rule is I don't, but I mean, to each your own on that. Fees are high. Is it worth XRP going to 5? Yeah, fees are super high, dude. That's why you got to go into spot trading. we got the guy in here. We got the man, the myth, the legend, and Tony Zarco. Yeah, I did read your comment. Where's 225? That's up to you, bud. I mean, that was an aggressive purchase order on a swing trade, dude. So again, if you sold your whole bag and waited for that, that's on you, bud. Moon rockets are the best analogy when you shoot that fast into that. Yeah, right. I would agree. Hello, Austin. Do you think I don't know what that is, man. I don't know what that investment is. Hello, Austin. Do you think I don't know what that is, dude. Can we look at algo? Yeah, we can pull up algo real quick with you. Let's pull up one more time. I want to see. Yeah, so we're coming down here. Let's look at the 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hours coming into there again. So yeah, we'll see how that works. Where's my Algorand? Yeah, Algo's looking nice, dude. Algorand's looking really nice. Wow. This is Michaela. I think this is Michaela's baby right here, right? probably a lot of people's baby, but I think Michaela is the one that asked me the first time to look at this. Yeah, you're up 46%, dude, over since the weekend, dude. That's amazing. Bro is mad you never said sell everyone. Yeah. I just bought another 1K Hbar, definitely still worth it in my opinion. Hey, if you think it's going to go up, like I said, I mean, if you're excited for, I mean, if you think it's a good purchase, I mean, then yeah, we should, it's really up to you on how to do it. And it's right now it's sitting at 385. We do know that at this 40 marker right here, we do know there's probably going to be a big pushback on it. That's the one thing. If you go back and you look at Hbar, we do know there's a pretty big sell wall right here at 240. I mean, we're talking roughly that wall actually got smaller. Holy crap. Look how manipulative that wall was right there, right? Dang. Boom. Boom. We're talking $8 million in that wall right there. That's a big, big sell wall right there. I just want to put that out there. Only when you zoom in just a little bit, right? Right there. But yeah, it's kind of crazy. It's continually climbing though. 286 now. 2836, yeah. You think Hbar will hit 250? Hbar, yeah. I mean, I think Hbar is gonna be pretty good, dude. Should never sold your XRP. I'm just a fun guy. I have plenty of XRP, so to the moon. Jimmy, I'm with you, man. XRP just getting started right now. I think so too. Canada is a joke. 30K per. That's crazy. 30K per year. That's wild. I didn't realize it was that bad. That's crazy. 2.6 for a fair value gap for. We can look here. Well, again, I think it was. Let's go to the 4-hour. Yeah, you're up here anywhere from the 330 to the 321. You do got one right here at the 315, and then down here from 278 to about 268. Then you got another one here from 264 to 260, roughly, give or take. And then you got one right in here, right in the golden pocket at 250. So yeah, not too bad. It could go down the short term, but I think it will rise the long term. Yeah, I think it's going to do well. I mean, I'm sold on it, so it's like, doesn't matter to me. Stacking up Hbar and Flare right now. Okay, Hugs. New question about fair value gaps. The fair value gap is 3.82 down to 2.71. There is a buy at 289. Does it fly past the 289 and eat up the fair value gap? Yeah, the fair value gap, usually it comes around, these fair value gaps just means that there was a gap in the market and then we're going to fill that gap. Doesn't mean that it will stay there. It just means that this will usually get filled. It tends to get filled, right? It's like a magnet. And the higher you get up on this, the higher you get up on into a high sell pressure zone right here, this will probably all get filled, right? That's what your anticipation is that these gaps right here will get filled. And I said, look at there's no support up here either. Really, the next build of support right here is right here on top of the right here at the 0.5. That's when your next major line of support is. There's not a lot of support right here from volume. So again, yeah, to answer your question, I mean, you usually come down, you fill half the gap, you might bounce back up, but I mean, there's not a lot of support up here. We broke past this level right here is your last line of defense up here from the 334 down, and it looks like we broke past that. So again, if this continues to sell, we don't have there's not a lot of support here. So this could get interesting. This could get interesting. XRP gets to 10 and you haven't pressed the like button, you aren't invited. Xander, did Coinbase change their desktop? I just logged in and can't find my assets. No, they shouldn't have changed their unless you're in you could be in Coinbase Advanced. Remember, people, you are adults. You make your own decisions. Do nothing. Austin's saying, I appreciate you, Code Core. He says what he's doing. Your decision, your money. Yeah, your life. Yeah, I appreciate you, Code Core. Thank you. Algo will be the next XRP. Algo's solid, dude. It's a solid blockchain. Good start, 2x. Heck yeah, Jimmy. Remember, there will be a flood of new retail investors when Trump is in. But yeah, you're right. There will be, Corey. We're early. We're still really early. Ed, thanks so much for the $10, dude. Uphold private equity, very cheap on right now, IPO season right around the corner. That's true. IPO season is right around the corner, dude. We're gonna have a lot of IPOs probably coming. A lot of crypto IPOs probably once Trump comes into office, because again, a lot of these companies are blockchain technology companies, like our Cardano and stuff like that, that have an opportunity to do an IPO. So, yeah, it might get interesting. Might get really interesting. Oh, Canada thinks it's better for day traders, not bad accumulators, unless you. Oh, that's crazy. I didn't realize that they did that, dude. That's wild. 250 again. I mean, there's a lot of support at 250. I mean, if you zoom out on this H bar, if you zoom out on this, you can see that there's or let's go here. You can see there's a lot of support here at the 250, right? 243. There's a lot. Look at this is like a lot of volume right here. So yeah, if it breaks through here, I mean, we could have a free fall. We could have a free fall busting and stopping probably at the 271 marker if we break some of these levels. Coinbase Advance is sweet, has saved me some money. Yeah, Coinbase Advance is nice, dude. Definitely nice. $3, pay attention. Nick, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Austin, you think HBAR is going to be its all-time high? I eventually, yeah, it's going to, without question. I'm very, I just am, again, I don't know if it will. I mean, I'm just very positive. I believe that it will, based off of everything it's going to be doing, everything it has. So an IPO, that's an initial public offering. So like a stock. ICO is like initial coin offering where they do like what Ripple did. That's what they got. That's what the SEC is going after, and was doing an initial coin offering. Where an IPO is initial public offering, so they're offering a stock. So yeah, like Coinbase did an IPO and allowed people to come in and buy it up before it hits the market. We're over here, Austin. Hurry! All right. What indicators are you using on the right side of the screen? Yeah, these are your volume indicators right here. Right here, it's called your visible range volume profile, and that's where it shows you your levels of support and resistance. It at least helps you. It doesn't like always give you that, but I mean, it helps give you. It's an indicator as to where these levels are, so it really helps you out. And we can see there's a lot of support right here. This red line right here is the middle of the largest support area in this cycle, and you can see right here at 242, that's the biggest volume of support. So I mean, that would have to come crashing back through the 6.5 right here and hit this level, and break through. And I like to go back and look at my original. I wish I would have taken a screenshot of it, but I'll build it out again real quick, because I like to go back and look at the original Fibonacci I built before we broke all-time highs. And you can see right here, this is the original Fibonacci that we used before this breakout, right? Let me get it better here. And you can see these levels that we hit. These were perfect levels, dude. I mean, honestly, this whole area was a buy zone. Anytime it gets into here, we could buy this, right? To accumulate for the next run. And it took January through basically January. It took 13 days, almost 2 weeks, to basically come break out of this. But it did dip down below this, and I mean, we dipped down below the 6.5 by roughly 10%. We dipped down below. That was one of our lowest levels. We had another low level over here, but I mean, just in this area, it's like a 10% dip. So if I go back to this, and I still, if we still follow what history shows us, which is again 28%, 28%, 25%, and you go back and you say, okay, so from the top of this down, 28% would put us right at the 246, which is right below the 250. And then if we take another 10% off of that, right? So we take another 10%, which would be 38%. That's a lot, right? So 38% is a lot. But, again, it could dip below, or we could go 10% below. Sorry, we'll do it this way then. We'll do 10% below this way. Where's 10% put us below this? Puts us right at 223, 224. So I don't know, man. I don't know. We'll have to see what happens here. We'll have to see what happens. Democrats will suddenly be anti-crypto because Trump is pro-crypto. They already are. Yeah, but Tony, it's a swing trade, bro. It's not a sell your whole bag trade. It's a swing trade. Like you're trying to catch the bottoms on swings, and sometimes you miss those swings, man. And if that was your whole bag, like I guess I misspoke, and I shouldn't have said sell your entire. I didn't say sell your bag. You should have been accumulating a bag, holding a bag, and had a bag that you would rise with while you swing trade on the other side. You know what I mean? Like if you're swing trading and using your whole thing, you're gonna get caught where you get left out on the pump. It happens, dude. So again, sorry that happened to you, man. uh Man, Dave, I'm just gonna say David. Tim David, does XRP have to get to 1 trillion to be 10 USD? Yeah, I just did this today. I just did this a minute ago. So if it gets to what you say it gets to $10 here, it's gonna be roughly about no, it's about to get to $10, it's gonna be about 574 billion. So it's gonna be about roughly where a little over where Ethereum's at in terms of price. So yeah, very, very doable at this point. So $10 XRP is not outside the realm of possibility. No, I get it, Tony. I get it, man. You know what I mean? I missed, dude. I missed out on swing trade. I was at a soccer tournament all weekend. I missed out on my swing trade. I mean, but like I said, I have a accumulated bag that you don't miss out on. So that's my strategy. Again, my strategy works for me. It doesn't mean it works for everyone else, but it's worked for me. And so holding a long term bag and then day trading with another one is something I found that works for me. And so that's kind of what I've been trying to say to people on how what's worked for me. But again, what works for me doesn't mean it works for everyone. So you think it's going to go down more? Should I sell? I mean, I don't know what it's going to do. We have again, we only have one red candle right now on the 4 hour. We had another red candle over here and it bounced back hot. So you got to have more than just one 4 hour candle to decide. And again, this is risky trading, so you have to do what's best for you in your scenario. And if you sell and you miss the next pump, you can't be upset about it. You gotta say, okay, well, I made that decision. I made that business decision at this time, and we move forward. Okay, Gary Gensler acts like he's a crypto, totally against it. Yeah, he's wild, dude. Never sell your whole bag. Yeah, try not to do it all. I did the same at 256. Yeah, it happens, man. Try not to. Yeah, I try not to sell them. I learned. So what happened was I sold a majority. So when I bought SHIB, guys, I sold like 75% of my bag, like probably 200% before the top of SHIB. I was so disappointed, dude. But I still had 25% of my bag, and that's when I realized, like, never sell your whole bag. If I would have sold my whole bag and missed out on another 200% pump on SHIB, I'd have been super disappointed. And I was still upset, but I still held on to 25% of that bag, and I held on to a lot of that bag throughout the entire bear market. And then, it's kind of like, oh crap, man. So in hindsight, if I would have actually sold my entire bag, I would have actually made out even more on SHIB because I held that 25% down for so far. So, it was kind of a blessing in disguise, but that's when I realized, like, selling your whole bag is kind of like the worst thing I could possibly do in a bull market. Yeah, appreciate that, Parker. Yeah, Josh, it does have a lot going on. Yeah, different levels to play out, long-term plays, short-term plays. Also tries to cover all. I appreciate you, Hogs. Yeah, I just try to cover it all. I'm not saying that like that's what it's going to do. I just like to play out the scenarios and then present those scenarios, and people can decide what those scenarios, what scenario best fits their need. That's kind of all I try to do, I guess. Yeah, that's what I try to do. I think Hbar is going to break 40 cents. Dude, it's going to get rejected hard at 40 cents for sure. That 40-cent wall is like a $8 million wall. It's gonna probably hit and bounce back pretty hard. Yeah, just stay. I agree, Z-Goaler. Stay patient. I missed out on about 381 XRP, but definitely was not your fault. Just me looking at the market closer. Was zoomed out at 2. Oh yeah, yeah, it happens, right, James? I mean, you made some good money. BTC is like, F this XRP. I bet you right now, I guarantee like right now why XRP is down. Let's look at the dominance. I bet you the dominance of Bitcoin's gone up. Let's do the scale price. That's actually kind of what's coming up right here. You can see see this last little arrow right here coming up. So Bitcoin dominance is coming up, which then causes altcoins to go down. It's funny how that works, but that's kind of what we're seeing here. But again, XRP is still very resilient right now. 329. Came down to 326 and it's bounced back a little bit. So yeah, it's kind of a nice thing to see. Definitely a nice thing to see. We're talking about market cap, but XRP has a lot of value. How can it go from 20, 30 to 100 if the market cap totally is impossible? Well, because I don't think a lot of us agree that market cap is how you assess XRP. You know, we believe a lot of these are commodities, and if they're commodities, then market cap doesn't matter to us. I mean, it's just a matter of supply and demand and who's using them. That's really what it comes down to. Yeah, Carrie, I think I feel like I've said it a lot, right? I feel like I say it like I'm trying to not tell you to, like, I'm not telling you to do it. I'm just saying, like, this is what's worked for me having this. So I'm not saying like go do this, but I've tried to like say that and without saying that, you know? So I do appreciate that, Carrie. Thank you. Third generation public ledger, Hbar, Hashgraph, Hedera. Yeah. How do you view buy and sell orders again? Just go into your Coinbase. Go into your Coinbase account. You can see your depth chart. Yeah, big watch. I'm with you. You are going to take some lumps, dude. Have some mistakes. There's going to be a mistake. You're going to make mistakes in this space. You're not going to be perfect. Again, if you follow someone who's always perfect, then that's a lie. Not even the best traders are going to be perfect, dude. Not even the best traders will be perfect. There's no way. There's no way, dude. Unless you are like a massive whale that can manipulate the chart, or you launch a shitcoin, you're a dev and you are manipulating it. Like that's the only way you'll be able to do it. I sold all my XRP at 55 cents. I missed out on 75,000 in gains, but when I sold, I made about 5,700 for my purchase price of 32, and I'm happy. I was happy then. That's crazy, Big A. You like, I don't, man. You with XRP, Nvidia, like, man, that's crazy. $75,000 in gains, dude. That is wild. And Big A was buying when we were buying. You're buying the 30 cents when we were buying the 30 cents. So yeah, I know what you're saying. I know what you're saying. I get what I was trying to sell back and get the coins. Yeah, that's what you try to do, right? You take that risk, you sell, trying to buy back at a better price, get more coins in your pocket, and that's kind of what happens. Jonathan Lee, thanks so much for the $5, dude. Mostly a listener on here, but have learned a ton from you in the past few months. Thank you. Oh, dude, Jonathan, thank you so much, man, for the $5 and the kind words. I do appreciate that a ton, dude. Thank you. I mean, it matters if it's a security. I mean, you know, if it's a commodity, it doesn't matter. I mean, you don't know what the price of. There's no market cap for dog food. There's no market cap for gas. There's no market cap for corn or beans, or, you know, it's all based off of just supply and demand at that point. You know, more supply. You know, more supply, less demand. It's going to go down in price. You know, more demand, less supply. It's going to go up in price. That's sort of how commodities are. That's why eggs, there's no market cap on eggs. And so again, if you're viewing these as a commodity versus a security, then that's how you would view it. Now it's just up to the federal government to determine whether these are a commodity or a security. And if it's a commodity, then the market cap doesn't matter. We won't even look at market cap. But for now, we do. It's what's been told to us for the last 13 years, 14, 15 years, that market cap is important to look at when we're viewing securities and cryptos. Hold your bag unless you have premium exchanges. Yeah, I swing trade with 5% of my bag. That's not too bad. 5% is good. I'd sold a 190 on a shakeout from the 60-minute interview. Stumbled across Austin and bought back in. He gives me, oh, dude, that's Ashton. That shakeout was pretty crazy from the interview, right? But people got in at good prices, that's for sure. I've done 2,500 mistake, not sweating it. I think we've all done mistakes, dude, for sure. Tony, you're not the only guy that's made a mistake on this, man. Like I said, I was at a soccer tournament all weekend, not looking at any charts, dude, just fully engaged in soccer all weekend long. And yeah, so there's opportunities to get missed all the time. You're not the only one. Austin, you have a super clear about building a long-term bag and use small bags to swing trade. You have explained it clear, so people need to listen carefully. Thank you, 808 Mimis. I try to say it a lot. I probably repeat myself too much. I probably am like a broken record. I try to say it. So, are you on X and do you recommend anyone? I am on X. There's a couple people out there. I mean, like Crypto Rover, I follow. He does good charting. I just follow his charts. I like how he puts his charts out there. And I follow follow projects and stuff like that, like Ripple and Brad Garlinghouse. But I don't really follow a ton of other YouTubers or influencers, I guess you could say. Could the XRP stablecoin end up being used by everybody? It could be. Or will the whole blockchain system always need a new coin? Um, no, I think anyone could actually move their money into it. Look at this, dude. XRP back into the 331, $3.31. H bar 382. We're still looking pretty good here. It's looking strong right now. Look at that. Yeah, we'll see. It would be nice if we could break through. I don't know if we will. Also, you just want us to fill up our bags and overflow for sure. I do. I definitely want that. Absolutely. Now you get free eggs. That's a good way to do it, dude. Get those free eggs from the neighbor, man. For 2 times I've already sold to try to buy a dip and then go back up again. We need to learn somehow. I sold my all bags. I didn't sell nothing. Okay. Everyone is wondering why I'm smiling all day at work. Tell them, then they want to borrow money. Right, Mike? That's funny. Florida is so much less expensive than Oregon. I need to go to Florida, stepping into grace. Yeah, Florida or Texas, something like that, dude. Austin, what am I missing? What am I messing up with the visible profile? It says the data vendor doesn't provide volume data for the symbol. Yeah, so you got to there's indicators up here. So you could say like, let's see, visible. So there's a lot of visible range profiles in here. So just find the one that says visible range profile on here. So there's a lot of these different ranges. So do the technical one versus all the community ones, because sometimes you can click into the community ones and they're no longer supported. So just find the technical ones and click on that one. Little Ruse, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Welcome to the A team. Austin, can we just sit back and think XRP is going to $4? Absolutely, dude. If it goes to $4, it's game on, bro. Dude, that'd be fantastic if it went to $4. Gosh. What's your XLM prediction? I think I didn't put a prediction in for XLM. I actually didn't. I just wanted to get to its all-time high, and I think that's the only thing I did was put out a level 93, which is like $1. But I haven't put a prediction together for XLM. That's one of the ones I haven't done. And again, from where this was at when we were buying it, we bought it. A lot of people were buying it down here. You're talking 132%, which is pretty good returns. Yeah, it's a good question. I don't know about it going back to only use it for a couple seconds. I don't think it's gonna go back to 50 cents. That'd be kind of crazy. But do you think the price will drop or will it keep rising? I mean, it should have some. There should be a healthy charts always have corrections. I mean, that's why you have green and red. I mean, if it was always green, I mean, it would just, yeah, it makes no sense. So there has to be some correction. I just don't know when that correction will be. Is it now? Do we go back up from here? I don't know. You know what I mean? It was 340 the level that we peak and we come down and we resettle and then come back up again and create a higher low. Maybe we'll see. Yeah, no. Did you figure it out, Parker? I'm from Oregon originally. I moved here and from Florida in 2022. It's been adjusting. Oh man, that is an adjustment, dude. That is an adjustment. $4 is not enough. Yeah, $4 is not enough. US possibly no crypto capital gains, dude. Mark Cunningham, if they do not do capital gains, it's going to be nuts. It's good. I mean, crypto will be like the place to store your money. If they don't do capital gains, crypto will become the place where you store your money. No one has a job about crypto. So sad. I'm lonely making gains. That's probably not a bad thing, though. That's probably not a bad thing. I would probably wait to see if the drop before I rebuy. Yeah, I'm with you on that. $5 soon. By the way, the weather is really nice in Florida right now. Gosh, I know. I wish I was in Florida. It's super cold here right now. It's pretty cold here in Washington. It was freezing this morning. What is it? I don't even know what it is right now. Don't allow. Let's see. It is roughly outside. Yeah, it's 45 degrees in Seattle. Ugh, barf. It's snowing here. Oh, where are you at, DP? It's snowing. That's pretty badass. XDC will be big. Yeah, XDC's done good. XDC's done really well. XDC's been on a crazy ride right now. So yeah, I mean your next levels here are in the 14, 14.5, 12.5, 11.5, and probably 10.5. Those are your levels of those are your fair value gaps that are probably pretty good. I haven't pulled a fib on this one, but it definitely looks over. You know, a lot of this stuff is oversold, so you got to find these retracements now. And here you go, XRP back into 331. Ooh, baby. You should be careful of broadcasting your bags because there are vultures in this space and they prey on people. That is true. That is true. They do vulture on people here. Wenatchee, Washington. Heck yeah, dude. Love Wenatchee. Sunniest place in Washington, right, Alicia? Isn't it like don't they claim like they have like 250 days of sunshine or something like that? I can't remember what it is. Why shouldn't America be living better than anywhere else? I would agree, Hogs. We should be living this like Saudi princes. That's true. I agree. Why not? Can't steal unless you give your keys. When they're what they'll do is they'll airdrop tokens to those wallets, and then people will click on them, and then they'll hack your wallets. Caden Latch, Olympia, Washington. Yeah, you gotta watch out for those vultures, dude. Casinos make billions being right 51% of the time, but they're still wrong and lose 49% of the time. That's so true. That's kind of crazy when you think about it like that. That's a good point. That's a good point, actually. Your river raft on Wenatchee River. That was the first time I ever did it. I was back in the 90s. Dang, dude, that's pretty cool. Can you share more about the hacking airport wallets? Oh yeah, dude, just don't connect your wallets to just don't connect your stuff to the internet. And yeah, just don't do that. 254 days of sun here in Ellensburg, Washington. Nice, dude. I spent a lot of time in Ellensburg, dude. That's where I went to college, dude. Wait, that's where I went to college. Good old Central Washington University. What do you think of Block Dog? Is it legit? I don't know what it is, Brett. I don't know what that is. God bless America. XDC XLM. Me too. Central baby. Oh, really, Alicia? Oh, nice, dude. That's awesome. Yeah. Good old Central. Yeah. Whenever I drive through there, I stop and get Wagner's still for ice cream. And then you can go across the street and get Totem Burger. Big fan of Lake Chelan. Yeah, Lake Chelan's super nice. How do I buy a membership? I didn't see it. I think I tagged one at the top. You can go up to the top up there. I pinned a post, and that's kind of where I have. That's where if you click on the membership there, dude. Hbar 386, dude. This thing is ready to rock and roll, guys. 386. You're from Chelan? Oh, okay, nice. That is nice. Chelan's a nice little area out there. We used to go out to Lake Roosevelt a lot in college. My buddy had a property out there. Austin, me too. Right, Michael B? CW? All right, CWoo. Love it, dude. We got a lot of CW. We got some Central Washington folks up in here. That's awesome. Yannick's channel. Thanks so much for the £5, dude. Love your videos. Quick question. My depth chart doesn't show the big wall on Coinbase. Is mine zoomed in? Yeah, you probably got to scroll out just a little bit. Also, how do you get those fair value boxes? It's over here. It's called the Lux Algo Fair Value Gap. So just go up to the indicators and type in fair value gap, and it's under Lux, LUXALGO. And you'll be able to use his indicator that he created, and it's a good indicator. It's worked out really nicely. So yeah, just go to zoom out on your depths. Yeah, like right here, I can zoom in. See, I'm scrolling. Scroll back. Here's the thing. You can zoom in. You'll see the numbers change at the bottom. Sorry, I got your question in the way, but you can see your numbers coming on the bottom right there. So yeah, you should be good. Yeah, thanks so much. Thanks again so much for the £5 there, Unix. I think I'm saying that right. I don't know. Thanks. Thank you very much. What's your thoughts on Shib and Pepe? I think Pepe is kind of the meme coin of this era. So that's kind of where I and putting my money. I was in Portland, Oregon in October. Beautiful place. Yeah, Portland's nice, man. It's not as nice as it used to be. It used to be super nice, but now it's it's a little dreadful, but still a nice little area. Yeah, definitely don't connect to public Wi-Fi, especially if you have like a wallet on your phone. And the airdrops, what they do is they'll airdrop you a token into a wallet address, and then you'll click on that thinking you could sell it. You go and you move it to like a Uniswap and you sell it, and they hack your wallet. So those are the airdrop ones I was talking about. Oh, the cold coast of Washington. Nice, dude. Serious. Hey guys, I just wanted to say thanks. This community, you guys helped me. Oh, dude, that's awesome, Vor. No, I appreciate the, yeah, the community is awesome here. That means I don't know. Maybe you can't stake, Jen. Maybe they don't let you stake in your area. Yeah, Hbar linked with SpaceX and Nvidia. Yeah, Nvidia and Intel as well. How the hell does XRP keep bouncing back? Yeah, it's resilient, bro. XRP is no joke. XRP is it's resilient, dude. I love it. Yeah, Lake Chelan every year. My wife has family out there. That's badass. What is that one? Is that a stock code? What is that code? I'm in Portland. Great camping downtown on the streets. There's a lot of camping down there for sure. What will Ondo price do? I don't know. We're gonna definitely monitor Ondo. That's for sure. Ondo's gonna be an interesting take. Crypto tonight for the VR VP. Yeah, we could do something like that maybe tonight. How to make it to where you can't get airdrops? You can't, dude. You're gonna get airdrops. Austin, what if we sit back and the good thing is a lot of these. So what you can do is in your wallet. So if you go into like say you get a SafePal wallet, which again I like SafePal. SafePal is one of my favorite wallets. You can go down and you can actually manage your coins. So like right here, I'll make this big. So like right here, you can manage your coins. So if you go into like your Coinbase right here, you can go down on your wallet, and then down here where it says manage coins, you can click on manage coin. Oops. You click on that manage coins at the bottom, and then you have all your coin lists coming up here. And so you can actually check off coins that you don't want anymore. So you can actually hit this little box over here and get rid of them, or you can add coins. So it makes it really nice so that if you get a coin in your wallet that you don't want, you just click that and it'll never show up in your wallet again. So yeah, it's super nice. That's what I like about it too. So yeah, definitely check that out. What if you sit back and watch for the $4 and you can think it's going to be a healthy chart? Yeah, you could. I mean, that's kind of what's happened. We just sit back and relax. Ryan Ward, thank you so much for the £4.99. Do you look at AI DeFi projects? What thoughts on the V1? Looks prime for a breakout on my chart. An app is being launched this week. I have no idea what that is, Ryan. But yeah, I mean, I guess the AI ones that I like are, I like VeChain. VeChain, I think, is AI. ICP's AI related. You know what I mean? Internet of Things, anything internet. You got Chainlink in there. It's working on their stuff. I think Hbar and all them are kind of in the same boat for me as well. So, yeah, I just don't know what the V1 thing is. And yeah, kudos for them launching an app. So, thanks so much for the donation to the channel. XRP ignored the BTC crash for the most part. Yeah, this is starting to climb back up here. XRP coming back, working its way back down now. We're about 10 minutes away from the next hour, so I'll probably be on here for about another 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna watch it go into the next hour and see where the candle goes. Let's go to the 1 hour here. We'll follow the 1 hour. Yeah, so this is now just breaching the 1 hour. There's a fair value gap on the 1 hour chart here, which is sitting between 25 and 20, and it just barely touched that, and it's gonna come in. So I'm from the UK, but working in Saudi Arabia. Been following you short time, but great info, man. Oh, Stephen B, thanks so much, man. Appreciate you following me, dude, and commenting. You can hide them. Yeah, you definitely hide them. So how do we know what's good and bad on airdrops? If you didn't put the token in your wallet, you shouldn't be touching it. That's basically what it comes down to. If you go to my Coinbase wallet, like in my Coinbase wallet, guys, like my Coinbase wallet was so bad. Coinbase, they used to, used to not be able to. That's why I hated Coinbase Wallet for the longest time, was because they wouldn't let you actually change your tokens. So all these random ass tokens would just show up in your wallet, and you wouldn't be able to get rid of them. They would just show up randomly in there, and they would just so it was like super lame. But then they allowed it to where you could actually then get rid of them. But yeah, if you go in here and you look at like all the NFTs, like the people drop you NFTs as well. And so those are, again, something that you want to avoid. So lock them out. That's all I can say. Austin, this is a way of the XRP community. Yeah, you're right, dude. It is a way of them telling the community to go screw himself. I can't wait, dude. We got 4 more days, man, until he's officially out. Can the government seize your crypto account? Yeah, if it's on a centralized exchange, yeah. If it's in a ledger, they can't seize that. That's why it's your money, dude. Austin asking you about NXT and Alliance block. I just saying it. The A team wanted to check it out. Yeah, definitely Kokor. I haven't heard of it, but NXRA Alliance block. Yeah, you guys can check it out if you want. Once XRP flips ETH and people now slow and expensive, you're right, dude. If XRP flips ETH, that's gonna be wild. I'd be totally on board with that. So that would be great. So this is starting to. We'll see what happens on this next hour. I mean, that's a pretty lengthy. We have 4 hours now in the down. We'll see if it continues that trend. What's the wall called? SafePal. SAF. Here, I'll put the link. I'll get you the legit one here. Let me see if I can find the link. Yeah, I'll have to figure out how to do it here. Because they also have SafePal also has a cold storage, and one of my good friends in the crypto space, he actually passed away this last year. His name was Crypto Realist Jeremy. People know him. He actually was a big proponent. He loved his SafePal cold storage, so he always was like, dude, it's the best cold storage out there. So I never used it, but he was a big he really liked it. So SafePal does have a cold storage as well, and it makes it easy to transfer between the two SafePals. But yeah, SafePal. Just go to SafePal in your app and just type in SafePal, and it's like a purple symbol. So, you know about CBDCs. I hope we stay away from CBDCs. 20th. That 20th, I'm just gonna pop popcorn. Talk about sit back and watch the charts. I'm just gonna watch what happens on the 20th, man. We're just gonna sit back. I'll be streaming. I'll probably stream all day for inauguration. I'll probably be on. Come on in the morning. We'll probably be an all day event. Yes. That's what you do, William. That's what I should do. Tell you the truth. And tonight, and if we go on a Discord thing tonight, I'll show how to use the volume indicator, and then I'll show how people how to download a wallet, how to transfer money to a wallet. That's probably what I'll do. Teach you guys how to use a software wallet, because it's super important. It's better than an exchange. You should move your money. If take your money off an exchange, either move it into a cold storage or move it into a software, which is also a hot wallet. Again, is not as safe as a cold wallet, but it's a lot safer than having it on an exchange. And it's pretty easy to use, and you have access to it all the time on your phone. How do you feel about buying crypto at the moment? I mean, I kind of want to, again, right now, as you try to buy before all that. Thank you. Thank you, man. Do you think safe to put XRP on Ledger? Yeah, it's safe to put it on Ledger. Yeah, we can look at the flare chart real quick, bud. Where's my flare? Right there. Oh yeah, flare's looking good, man. Flare's been looking good over the last couple days, dude. That's actually rising pretty fast. Damn, I gotta look at my freaking flare, dude. Hold on a second. I gotta look at my flare now. You said that. Oh yeah, dude. Flare's looking good, man. That's nice. Yeah, that's nice. You promised a live on inauguration day. Yeah, yeah. I'll be live on inauguration day for sure. Unless something happens. New listener here heard Lake Chelan mentioned. Wapato Point. Oh, it's beautiful. Skagit County native. Nice, nice, Nick. Whoa. Another Washington. We got a lot of Washingtonians in the chat. I'm not gonna lie, dude. I feel like we got a lot of Washingtonians here. It's pretty crazy. Can we figure out how to get Oscar and Levi in Street Beef's MMA fight match? Why do you want them to fight? From nothing. Why do you want them to fight? Just test a small amount at first. Yeah, make sure when you do transfer, you test. That's good advice. Listen to Trent here. That's really really good advice actually. Make sure that you definitely test small amounts before you send the whole thing. Yeah, thanks for saying that, Trent. I space on saying that, but yeah, to save yourself heartache, definitely do that. Someone should hold or sell my profits and make money back. Someone help. Should I hold or sell? Dude, that's lame cone. That's up to you, man. Austin, what are your low buy limits set at? 225 still. my 225 is still set. I was just telling that this morning. I haven't changed my my buy order for XRP yet. 225, but it'd have to come down $1. I mean, I'll have to probably shift that around a little bit. Maybe I'll hold it. You know what I mean? Maybe out of stubbornness, I'll hold it. Your show's great. Not many shows answer questions like you do. It really helps to learn more. Oh, Jen, yeah, no problem. That's kind of what I try to do a little bit. I try to do a little different by doing that versus just giving a lecture and all that stuff. I think it's more important to have interaction with the chat and the people because there's a lot of questions and concerns when it comes to crypto. So yeah, definitely something to consider. Yeah, I appreciate the words. All my crypto's on a ledger. It's a great device. It is. It is. That's probably true. Probably would be built in existing stablecoins, hogs. I would agree. CBDCs, I don't think. I mean, I think Trump cannot ever do a CBDC, so we'll see how that works. Do you know what the network your coin is on? Because I bought a coin on Coinbase and then I sent it to my Tangem. I clicked on the ETH network instead of the other and lost all of it. Oh shit! What was your coin that you sent over, dude? What coin was it? Yeah, usually if that happens, you probably. I mean, I don't know if you can recover that. Phew. Yeah, you got to make sure you send to the right. Well, which one did you send? Flow. We got about 3 minutes until we see the next till they see the next hour. So let's zoom in on this. Is there a fee for transferring? Yes, there's a fee. Setting up a wallet is just follow instructions, directions they give you. Yep. I believe on both ends it should show on the network address. Yeah, but if you sent it to the wrong one, I don't know if you can. I don't know if you can recover that. Yeah, me too. Me too. I'm like, surprised how many people are here as well. I was kind of hoping for one. I'm going to be honest. I was kind of hoping another dip before, but we'll see. For those odds, you smart. Thanks, Jake. And consider. I appreciate you, Jake Hopkins. Thank you. And consider it. I try to be. This is awesome. Heard my comments read. Never been a part of a stream. Definitely going to continue to listen. Top holder BTC, XRP, ADA, and other projects. Heard of Flare mentioned. Yeah. Well, a lot of us are on the same one, Nick. Yeah, appreciate that. Jamber, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you very, very much, and welcome to the A team. XRP will put my twins through college. Heck yeah, Melodis. Borishito, Austin, besides swing trading and investing, do you do any other types of trading? I mean, I hold my stock. I don't swing trade stock anymore. I used to, but I just now hold stock. If new stocks come up, I'll probably hold those. But yeah, mostly just crypto, bro. I don't do any any commodities. I don't do like gold or silver or any of that kind of stuff. Yeah. All right, we got 1 minute. 1 minute until the 1 minute until we see the next shift in where this candle is going to go here. A lot of people like Trezor Wallet, Mike B. A lot of people like it. FOMO's killing me today. Yeah, I get it, dude. I fight the urge too, man. You're not the only one. No rain in central eastern Washington. You're thinking of the west side. Yeah. Usually you'll get snow. Usually you'll get snow. It's pretty dry. It's pretty dry over there in eastern in central Washington area. I mean, every once in a while you get some rain, but not too often. It's mostly just cold, snow. Dang, I finally found fair value gap on Lux Algo and trade. Hell yeah, dude. You finally got it. There we go, dude. Don't understand how I kept overlooking it. Yeah, you're good, bro. That's good. I'm glad you found it. Here we go. We just moved into the next hour. Start off the next hour. So we finished that hour in the red. So we'll see if we can continue. We'll see what happens here. See if this is the start to the downtrend. Yeah, this 4 hour is continually downward, right? Hit a low of 325. Interesting to see where this goes. XRP pullback. It's starting to look that way, dude. Can you post another link for the Discord? Yeah, it's up above, Brandon. If you click on the pin link up there, I have the membership, and then I have the Discord attached there as well. What's the difference between cold wallet and a hot wallet? Well, one's a software wallet that's connected to the internet still. So it's a decentralized wallet, a non-custodial wallet that you have, but it's still connected to the internet and your phone service. Where cold wallet is, you basically, once you unplug this, this is the key that's unplugged. So since it's and people can't access it because it's offline. But as soon as you plug this back in, it becomes a hot wallet anyways. But that's just kind of the theory behind it. But swimming in lakes during summer, rain and storms. Yeah, that's awesome. I love swimming in lakes. When you go live on Discord, is that in the crypto tab? Yeah, it would probably be. I'll probably set up a. What I'll do is I'll probably put a link in the chat, and then it'll be just like this on YouTube. It'll be like a YouTube. You'll be able to come over here on YouTube. It'll be a link to the YouTube, but it's for members only. And then I'll go live, and you can be in the Discord if you want, or you can be over here in the chat side, and I'll share the screen. Everything. It's just for members. And then we'll talk about, charts, answer questions more on a personal level versus, that's kind of what we did yesterday and stuff like that. So, and we share, I can share a lot more, screen stuff like that when it comes to custodial wallets and stuff. But Tyler, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team, dude. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you very, very much for it. I really do appreciate that. And welcome. Catherine, thank you so much for the $10 donation to the channel, dude. Just thank you for all your help and knowledge. Oh, I appreciate it, man. I appreciate you guys all showing up and hanging out with me for 3 hours. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be jumping off here. And let's see here. Gonna definitely be jumping off here and just appreciate you guys all being here. I'll definitely probably come on tonight. We'll definitely look at the chart right now, see where XRP falls. We're starting to see Hbar come down a little bit, starting to see even Bitcoin slightly coming down as of right now. So we'll see what tonight brings, but I'm definitely going to come on live tonight and then probably go over to the Discord and do some little one-on-one stuff with everyone in the Discord. So for state senator, dude, I wouldn't make it here in Washington, dude. They'd kick me out. Yeah, go to 4 more games for the kid. Go for the kid. Appreciate that, Kokor. But yeah, with all that, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. I'll be on here tonight, probably around like 5:30, 6 o'clock. I'll put out a little thing out there if you guys want to come join, and we'll talk more about crypto, where it's at, where the pricing's at, and again, continue to answer questions and stuff like that. So with all that, hope you guys have a fantastic day. Thank you so much. Love you guys. We're out. Peace out, everyone.